Yeah, I don't think there's anything that's changing the scale of the... So I don't know why it's not flipping.
What?
And it's not like these guys... Yeah, they're all facing the same direction.
No, you're right. I haven't added any favorite collaborators to Twitch. You're so right, dude. Yeah, absolutely. I do love having to search for Tempura Cat games every single fucking time I want to invite him to stream together.
This is true, wait.
It's really good. Alright, I invited you to stream together.
I don't wanna...
I don't wanna... Where the fuck is my Visual Studio Code? Why are you on left monitor? What the hell? Evil ass Visual Studio Code.
I didn't get the notification. I don't see it.
That sucks.
You gonna try reinviting me?
Sure.
No, I didn't.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I just reloaded the page and there's nothing there.
Okay, I'll just send you the link then. Which is a website that works, by the way. Oh, let me actually... There's some information that actually matters for you. Let me double check the legitimacy of it, though.
Wait, what?
Stream Elements might be shutting down. I don't know if you saw that.
Oh, I didn't know that. No.
Yeah, that somewhat matters for you.
Is it over for me?
Probably not, but what that means is likely SE Live will not be getting updates, which probably won't matter until there's an update for OBS that breaks something. And if that happens, then you would need to set up some separate multi-stream plugin, which I can help you do. There's also one of the reasons I used SE Live the most was because like going live on YouTube was really fucking annoying.
Yeah.
Because I had to select a specific scheduled stream. What I actually did, and one thing that I found out about, which I will... is there a way for me to show this without, like, revealing information that shouldn't be revealed? I don't even know if there's information that shouldn't be revealed on this page, but I guess we'll find out. Let me... This doesn't reveal anything, does it? Okay, yeah. So are you able to look at my screen?
Oh, maybe. I'm looking.
So this is just my default go live on YouTube, and what was really annoying was if I hit go live on OBS, it would just go live on this instead of my scheduled stream. But what I found out, is that you can define a default stream key, and then you can make a new stream key. So this is my scheduled streams. And so whenever I go to my scheduled streams live, I'm actually using this stream key here for my scheduled streams. So in OBS, I just have my YouTube go live set to use that stream key, which means that I don't have to manually select the streams anymore. I just hit the go live button, and if I have a scheduled stream, it goes live on that, which is very nice. So I'll help you set that up if it comes to it. Hopefully you don't, but
sure.
Yeah, it's not a hard thing to do, but that's the main reason that I use Stream Elements. And I also have I have these docs here that just show my chat. And the most annoying part is I just have to go up here to custom browser docs and then toss them right there.
Yeah.
But that's not that
okay.
annoying.
Cool.
Yeah. So hello, Vathan. How's it going?
Okay, so it is scaling.
It is
scaling the
okay.
wall cast.
I'm very tired. I should crack open my coffee.
I'm a little tired too. I got my Dr. Pepper though, so I'm good.
I'm gonna crack open my coffee, and I'm gonna hope that this 110 milligrams of caffeine kicks in within, I don't know, the next 3 hours.
Why are you drinking coffee?
Because it's it's like one of the pre-bottled like non-dairy protein things.
Pre-bottled non-dairy. Right,
yeah,
bro.
I have to drink non-dairy.
So it's not coffee. Yeah.
So it's not coffee, dude. This motherfucker be like, oh yeah, I like coffee. Yeah, I'll take 2 milligrams of coffee, fill the rest of the cup with milk and then add 4 tablespoons of sugar and some caramel. And that's the way I like my coffee. It's like, dog.
Alright, bro.
I don't think it uses soy milk, actually. I think
You
it's
can't have milk,
soy-free as
so your
well.
argument is invalid.
Hmm?
I said you can't drink milk, so all your arguments are invalid
That's
automatically.
true. This is soy-free, so I'm not a soy boy. What does it even use? It uses almond milk. Almond milk is kind of fire. If not drank alone. Alone, almond milk fucking sucks. Also, yes, I am using Linux. Dude, I'm telling you, JW. You're like, oh, he's always talking about Linux. Because motherfuckers see me using Linux, and they're like, dude, you're using Linux? And I'm like, yeah, dude, I'm using Linux. I'm using Nobara, my fucking beloved. I love this shit. The only issue I've seen with Linux so far is I don't drink soy. You motherfucker. I don't drink soy.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
I'm also not vegan, so I do eat meat. I'm allergic to dairy. Not even lactose intolerant, like I'm just allergic to it. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, the only issue I've had with Linux is Slay the Spire 2 multiplayer sometimes crashes, and I don't know why. But
it's really annoying.
it's really annoying. Guy who,
It is very annoying.
it's not that annoying, brother.
It is really annoying.
Okay, so to put this in perspective, sometimes Slay the Spire 2 multiplayer crashes, and I have to reopen the game, and JW has to rejoin the lobby, and within a minute, we're back into the game. Sometimes
Yeah, but
when
then you
we're
have to
playing Slay the
replay, like,
Spire
the
2,
entire fight.
sometimes when we're playing Slay the Spire 2, JW says, I'll be right back. And then he's gone for 30 minutes and comes back and says, sorry, I had to walk the dog.
Yeah, that's your problem.
One of those is way more annoying than the other. All right, let me push up my changes. You might end up breaking. We'll find out. I fixed a couple issues,
cool.
but this is the new status stuff. So I have a couple questions for you whenever you get a moment. I don't know if you're looking at things that you're trying to debug. So if your mental stack is like taken up right now, I can wait, but... It sounds like your mental stack is taken up by the fact that you're not responding.
Wait, what?
I was saying if your mental stack is taken up, I can wait. Because I know it can be annoying if you're like ask questions while you're trying to like debug things.
Yeah. Okay, I see. So yeah, it goes to -1 for like 0.2 seconds, and then it like goes back. I don't know why it's not working. It works on everything else.
Sorry, what are they doing? It's probably something with the should flip function. But I don't remember. Are there other things that are using the basic ass should flip, or are they only? Or
these might be enemy. I think there's that enemy flip sprite.
Yeah. Which I think uses
that
the
is an enemy
direction
flip
of the enemy.
sprite. Yeah.
Let me see. What uses? No, salmon uses flip sprite. Thrown objects uses flip sprite. However, the enemies do use enemy flip sprite. And for the enemies should flip, it's if there's an aim direction, then it uses that aim direction to see if it's facing left. Otherwise, it uses the velocity of the thing.
Okay, maybe here, you show me whatever you're doing. Or am I pulling changes? What are we doing?
You're pulling changes,
and then we can look at this. Okay.
Yeah.
We'll figure this out later.
Yeah. You can also probably just push it up, and I could probably figure it out if you wanted. It's honestly not a huge thing.
Sure. Yeah, I have a bunch of other junk, but sure, I'll just push up all my stuff and see what happens.
Your call. I mean, if you want to.
Yep,
also, I want to show you some
pushed
cool things that I was working on that's not going to really come to fruition because I don't have the time to fix it. But I had this thing where I was doing some shit with the pages so that they would do kind of like a more organic turn rather than just like a flip. But this looks very weird. And didn't work in a way that I feel is correct.
Yeah, but you can do it more.
I can, yeah, eventually.
You can get it to work.
Yeah, I can do it eventually, but I'm not going to now.
A little evil and weird, though.
Okay,
Okay, I pushed up my changes and pulled your changes.
try running the game and see if it breaks.
Okay.
It shouldn't, but there may be something that wasn't included. We'll find out. But I did also fix the slime issue you were talking about, the slime crash. You said you pushed changes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah. It just, I guess it pulled the changes without telling me that it did. It just like did it. It's pretty cool. Save. I'm also gonna revert this. Or actually, no, I can stash things, right? I can say, yo dog, stash time. Here is hard 3D left page. I think these are the only ones. Yeah. Stash. Right now I can right click these. No, not stage. Stash. Card. Flip curve.
Well, it seems to run fine.
Nice. You should try spawning in the fire area scene. Mode.
They still don't work.
Yeah, of course they wouldn't work. I didn't change it with them.
I feel like I remember it being bigger.
Because you're spawning it in a small area. Oh.
One of the goblins walked into it.
Oh, wait, what? Why do the goblins break? The goblins shouldn't break it.
Do they have hitboxes?
Can you show me the... Wait, they do or don't have hitboxes?
They do.
Can you show me the place in the code where it broke instead of the frozen screen? Jeez. Effect data, get current effect handler, get current handler in base nil. Effect data is nil. Effect data is... Oh.
Oh.
Will might change.
Did you forget?
I forgot to push up the. I forgot to push up the resource for the fire.
See, this is why you just push up everything all at once.
You don't want that.
You're fine.
You do not want that. You don't understand. I have too many things that I'm moving around. What is this? Why did this change happen? Oh shit! This is. Sorry, hold up. Don't pull changes yet, or don't.
Oh.
No, it's fine. It's fine. You don't have to close the project. It's a small enough change. Did you change anything in the start room? I hope not. Here you go.
I don't know.
All right, you can pull the change now, and then you should.
Slime my programmer dog.
Yeah, do it, man. Go ahead. See what happens. You're gonna have to find a different one, or you're gonna have to learn how to use Claude, and good luck on that one, because that shit is terrible.
No, I'm not doing that.
Are you sure? You already used Grok for the art. You might as well.
No, I don't. Shut up. Should I open a pack on stream?
No. Do you have a camera set up pointed at your desk yet?
I mean, I have one that I could adjust, so it's pointing at my desk.
Okay. Yeah. This won't. Maybe this will fix the goblin thing, actually.
Yeah, I like the fire. It feels very forgiving to the player, which is good.
Yeah.
Especially if you want to have something like the slime enemy spawn the fire.
Yeah, we can also, all the variables that you're seeing, like all the time that it takes for it to fill, the time that it takes for it to start draining, and the actual drain time are all things that you can...
I like the thing where it's like if you go out of it, it stays for a second before it starts going down.
Yeah, yeah. All of that part, though, can be changed, so if there's something that you... What happened?
Seemed like if I was in two of them at once, it would go up double fast.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, I haven't fixed that part yet. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but yeah. It's just because every...
Claude did a great job on these graphics. Alright.
Yo, Claude, can you output direct PNG data of a cat? Thank you. Dude, he's on fire.
I love how it goes out really slowly when it's like...
Yeah, it doesn't scale with the area at all. It also goes
the
behind the bench.
Messed up on the... Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah.
We can fix the layering.
Yeah, but you can instantly kill the player if you
Get
hold
a double
shift and
shader it'll be
Q, and it spawns like a bunch of them all in the same spot.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Well, it's
And then you can just run into it and you just
okay.
instantly take damage.
That's kind of
I'm actually curious, can you go down to half a heart? Because I see you have that heart glitch going on right now.
Yeah.
I wonder what
That's not
happens
gonna
when it does that. Like if, because it does like a little animation. Does it move? Oh, cool. Oh, nice, dude. The bike gets taken back for a second and then it goes back. That's cool. I'm gonna put you on screen because I'm just
That's
staring at
funny.
it.
So I guess
It's based on the
that's
positioning of it. It's some weird
Yeah.
culling thing. I don't know what's up with it. I still want to look into it. But
Yeah, but it's not the end of the world. Let's see if the goblins work with it. I'm curious.
I wonder. Oh, I know what I could do. Oh my god, I know what I could do. I could set up a VM with a fucking widescreen monitor as its monitor, and then fucking test the game in that.
Wait.
What's up?
Oh, did you have the
Hmm.
Is this working as intended?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should be. Looks like it. What's not working about it that you feel like is?
I just didn't realize that it like ticks down on them.
It ticks down.
Like the.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So that's the amount of time remaining
Okay.
on the current fire effect, and if they get another stack, it reverts back to full.
Yeah.
If you want to change that, we can. I'm totally. Okay
Yeah, I
with
just didn't realize that it did that. Yeah.
that. Okay, sorry. I'm on holiday against my will, and you forgot your laptop at home, so I'm unable to make graphics for your game. Start watching some tutorials in the meantime. You also found out the hard way. You can't hard-code references to scenes that rely on scenes like you used to be able to in Godot 3.6. If you feel like elaborating on that, I don't know what you mean by that, to be real with you. Because I can't think of... JW, do you know what they're talking about? JW?
No.
Okay.
No. Sorry, I was taking a drink of Dr. Pepper.
Yeah, because I'm trying to think of anything about like scene references and things that changed between Godot 3 and Godot 4, and I can't really imagine anything that would have been broken.
Why do they keep taking like 2 damage when they die?
Because they go up to 2 stacks of fire. Because they're standing in it for long enough.
Oh, does it go up if they stand in it? For long
Yeah.
enough? Okay.
We can change how that works, but yeah.
Yeah, at least fine.
You can see like as it dies, it goes the 2 label shows up.
Yeah, I like that. I like how that works. Oh, we could totally have like a flamethrower card.
Mm-hmm.
That would be pretty sick. Because then we could make it like it still does damage to you, but then if you get like an item that makes you immune to fire, it would be really good.
Yeah.
So like it wouldn't directly, I guess it could directly set enemies on fire, but it would also set like the ground on fire.
Yeah.
That
Like,
could be interesting of
it's
how
freeze-like.
mechanically we make that work with like spreading fire on the ground, but we'll figure that out.
Yeah. Also, yeah, you reference packed scenes. I do too, which is why I'm a little not concerned. The word is eluding me, but it's like I'm just very, very curious on what they mean by that. So I think my Godot just crashed. Yeah, happens. Bye, Godot. Welcome back, Godot. Also, yeah, I can't wait for 4.7. 4.7 has some really cool things going on. Alright, back to me, though. So let me look at your enemy stuff. You pushed that up, you said?
Yes.
Okay. I still should kill some of these old scripts that fail to parse every time you open the project. They're not used anywhere, but... Can I just spawn goblin like this? Oh, nice.
Wait, what? Yeah, probably.
Cool.
Sorry, I got distracted.
But they count as enemies? They don't.
No. Why would they count as enemies?
I don't know. I was just gonna like hit the fuck you die button, but they don't fuck you die, so.
Oh, sorry, I accidentally left the print thing. Although I guess it's fine because you're supposed to fix that. It's your job. See, they like flip for a second and then they unflip.
Where'd you put the print at? Oh, I see. Visual scale to X. That's like the most useless place to put it. That's okay though.
Well, I just put it in the process. That way you can see every frame. Anyways, what am I doing? I like got halfway through the goblins and then just got kind of stuck. I'll figure it out. I'm EP today. You wanna play Magic?
Fuck off.
So I guess I could give them like attacks like the enemies have. And then just like swap them out. Are these specifically like enemy attacks? I forget. Could I use these for the...
They are
enemy attacks.
For enemy attacks, yeah. I don't know how much they use from enemy attack. You can just like curve from enemies. I don't think much.
Pretty much just this.
Yeah. Which is not used for anything inside of the attack itself.
Yeah, so...
Yeah, it could just be like a... Like a unit attack
like a
or some
node
shit.
2D.
Oh, sorry. You used to be able to do a hard-coded reference to a scene that would use a previous scene. You ended up trying to do the same again, and it ended with the scenes being unable to be loaded at all. I'm really trying to, like... You used to be able to do a hard-coded reference to a scene that would use... I'm assuming, like, you mean, like, an existing scene. Because we do things like that. Like, we do, like a const, you know, scene. And then I can preload, you know, anything in here, like some sort of, like, old test enemy. You know, like, this can just be preloaded. You can also do, like, export var here. And you can do, like, a preload. You can do this as well, and then inside of the anywhere that's using this, you can reassign it here. But I'm assuming maybe that's not what you mean. I'm not sure. Oh, wait, no. Wait. Can you click on the... Can you go back to the... Actually, never mind. I have the fucking thing on my side. Just kidding. Oh, no. Okay.
Okay, the projectile and like the ground enemy slash are the only attacks we have currently, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, let me just make sure that there's no... Okay, yeah, so I just changed out the enemy is now a node 2D instead of enemy base, and it should still work fine. I'm not gonna bother renaming everything right now to be not enemy whatever. It's fine.
Yeah.
But now we can use that for anything. I do need to figure out how these work still. That's okay. Figure it out. There's a car right outside my window that is parked just right that the sun is reflecting off its windshield directly into my eyes.
That one's like... The world is, like, upset with you. But, like, I had a worse one, and I'm very happy I have, like, my curtain set up around my setup. Someone last night decided that they wanted to park their car and sit in it for, like, multiple hours and just have their headlights on. And their headlights, it was perfectly so that it was shining directly at my fucking computer. And because I have my fucking curtains, I was able to just, like, block that shit. But, like, oh my god, dude. What do you mean you just sit in your car for hours with your headlights on, pointed at a fucking residential building? And it's not even like they weren't far away.
That's kind of fire.
There's, like, maybe, like, I don't know, 10, 15 feet of space between where the car parked and where the fucking window is. And it's like, come on, man. Okay, am I getting prints that I care about? So you turned.
Okay, so let me look at the attack a little closer, figure out how that works.
I can explain it to you if you want, or if you want to look at it and find out.
I mean, I have a decent idea of how it works. Sure, if you want to like just explain it real quick while I'm looking at it.
Yes, it's just basically.
It has like the prepare and stuff.
Yeah. So there's like the prepare function, and then there's signals based on different parts. So once you finish preparing, it can go off. You don't have to interface with the prepare. You can just do the attack. And then there's like a signal for once the attack finishes.
Okay, I see. So yeah, I probably won't use the prepare on the goblins because they're like, you don't need to see the wind up or anything. Like, there might be some kind of like wind up animation or something, but it's not like we need to have an indicator or things like that because they're not hitting the player. So they don't need to be like telegraphed super clearly. That makes sense, you know?
Yeah.
I do also want to mess with, for the demo, making some variations of the already existing enemies. So, like, I want to make a flying guy, but he shoots, like, a laser beam that, like, charges up instead of projectiles. So, just, like... Yeah.
Yeah. Should
and then we'd have a nice attack indicator for that.
Yeah, that should hopefully
that
be
would
just
definitely not be too hard.
A thing that's
just
like...
change the attack.
Should just be a different attack, yeah.
Yeah. And then I would just make it like a different color, something like green or blue or something.
What the hell is setting the scale on this?
Yeah, I don't know. That's what I'm wondering. Oh, wait. I know. It's the animation player.
Ah.
Yeah. So just make a new variable, or not a new variable, a new node underneath. That works as well. Probably.
I'd be a little surprised if this didn't work. I'm fairly certain I wrote this in a way that was specifically to...
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Ending myself.
Oh, no. It's because go to the flips, right? Yeah, I said it there. I think if by default it
tries to grab its
the
parent if it
yeah.
doesn't exist.
Yeah. I see, yeah.
But where's the
So
VTuber
that should
model?
work
It's
now.
a lot of work. I also haven't even tested on Linux. So.
Guy paid like $2,000 for a crazy VTuber model.
Yeah, no, it was $2,000 for sure. There we go. Yeah, they're just flipping.
It literally was.
Whoa, dude. Look at him go.
Go, does it work now?
Yeah.
There we go, much better.
Cyclic dependencies should be... Oh, shit, dude. That was a crazy fucking move he just did there. Does he do it again? That was cool. He did like
I don't know why he does that.
It's because he's trying to move to the point, and like there's a point up here.
And like he overshoots a little bit.
Yeah, and he like just like... I think if I turn on... navigation, I think I can see what his current target point is. I lied. Oh, no, I can. It's that. It's the green one.
Yeah, so right now he's just wandering around.
Does he just choose a random point every, like, it looks like a second?
Yeah, it's whatever I copied over from the skeleton guy.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Okay.
I do need to figure out his behavior, because right now...
Just
a little weird,
just
so
buy a fursuit at this point, brother. It was not actually fucking...
He already has one dog.
This is not true. But, it was not thousands of dollars. JW is lying.
It literally was.
It was not.
I'm not lying. I would never lie.
But yeah, also about cyclic dependencies, they should be fixed in Godot 4. Like, I think Godot... I want to say 4.3 fixed a lot of the cyclic dependency errors that we had. But maybe I'm wrong. I do feel like that was a thing that was fixed.
I remember running into a lot of errors with that, like when I started with
Yeah. You've also changed some of the things that you've done for programming wise, so that's just
I mean,
showing
yeah,
up
I was
less.
also terrible at programming.
This is true.
But I remember like one time I think I like destroyed an entire project by making weird dependencies issues, and then I didn't know how to fix it.
Yeah. One cool thing about Godot though is if you need to fix issues like that, you can just load up a text editor, and if you have the right knowledge, you can edit your scenes directly. In Unity, that's not as easy to do if that error shows up. You kind of just have to hope that there's some way of fixing it that isn't. Hopefully you have a backup, in GitHub. All right. So systematic changes, JW. Are there any systematic changes that are stopping you from doing anything right now?
Not really currently, no.
Okay.
Really the main thing I want to work on right now, obviously besides content, which I'm doing with the Goblin, is just like polish stuff. Yeah. I really want to make the UI feel better. Another thing I want to do, if we have time, is probably like a later on the list thing, is like juice up the pack opening.
Yeah.
Because right now it's like a little bland, but I want it to like.
That's true.
I want it to like
rip open.
Yeah, like rip open, have the cards like pop out like face down, and then like all flip over, or like flip over one at a time. And then like if it's like a rare card, it'll like play a sound and have like effects that come out of it, and it'll have like lights shining around it and things like that.
Shit. Oh my god!
Like basically, all of the dopamine maxing effects humanly possible when you open a pack.
Wait, JW. Do you remember how I was trying to get the card pack, like open to fix, but like it wasn't? Sorry, hold on. Let me open this thing up first, and then let me speak after. Okay. Do you remember how I was trying to get this so that I could animate it using like? Did I ever show you the bones that I tried using?
Yeah, I
didn't
tried
work.
messing with that as well. Yeah.
I just thought about it. I can use the shit that I was working with on the binder with the
yeah, that's literally exactly what I was thinking. I thought about that this morning. I was like, wait, you can do that.
Okay, maybe that's what I do now.
JW, you should do a Subnautica 2 stream. I think I would rather.
Is it multiplayer?
Voices of the Void. Unfortunately, yes.
Damn. Is there a multiplayer for Subnautica 1?
No.
Not officially. Damn.
Not officially. Maybe I do Subnautica 2 multiplayer sometime. It is that scary, actually.
Really? Oh, that's your issue with it? Fair enough. I thought there wasn't there an issue with like AI usage in Subnautica 2 or something?
No?
No?
I don't think so. No, there is like some drama with like the CEO or something. I don't remember what happened.
Okay.
But it's like all sorted out now, and like the evil guy got absolutely fried.
Okay, that's good. Maybe we do a Subnautica 2 stream then, multiplayer. That would actually be so fucking fun.
That could be kind of funny. What do you do, like swim? Yeah, you do swim.
Yeah, you do swim sometimes.
Yeah. No, it's like really scary though.
Card selection UI. Okay, so here's the animation. It's just all in here. That kind of sucks.
Okay, I'm gonna stop looking at your screen, and I'm going to.
He's going to
work on it. Oh, and same for the sticker packs. Like the original idea I had, where like it'll pop up, but then like the top will like pop off.
Yeah, that's probably easier to do than the rip off. But yeah.
Yeah, I mean, really, besides like the rip off, the packs would be pretty easy to do. It's just like making sure it's nice and juicy. And as I said, yeah, like if you get a rare card, it'll have like shiny effects and particles and all the dopamine effects, you know.
Yeah, the Balatro effect or the whatever. Is this what the packs are supposed to look like?
Balatro doesn't even have that like crazy effects in the open packs, I'm not gonna lie.
Is this
we need more than that.
Look like?
Wait, what? Huh?
This is what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, I mean, I might change it at some point. I've literally had that art for like over a year, probably. That's fine. Also, you don't have to do that right now, but whatever.
I want to, because it's in my mind right now.
Okay. You're weird.
That's how programming happens sometimes. You just get like a strange mood. It's a Dwarf Fortress reference, by the way.
You're right. Okay, let's look at...
And this means I get the right shaders on stream again! Yay!
Oh, no. You're evil.
What do you mean I'm evil? How am I evil? This
Enemy
means I get to draw
slash,
something
what
cool.
do you?
Because I can be like, hey guys, check this out. I can make a uniform sampler 2D called, what? Bend curve? Yeah. And what I can do is I can make a curve XYZ texture here.
XYZ, alright, bro.
Yeah, there. And then I can do this. And then I can say void fragment. And then I can say, let's get this to do just regular output, I guess. Back for
Okay. So we have prepare attack. Is there a like attack finished signal?
there should be, I think, if you take a look at the enemy attack class.
Yeah, attack finished. Okay.
Yep, started.
Because I'm just like I basically that's probably really the only one I need is that for when I change the
yeah. Is attack started even used? I think it is.
state back.
Attack started is. Oh, it's not used, but you're using it in here, so that's fine. Surprised you're using it in there, but yeah. I just wrote it in there because I was like, we probably will need this.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
The one thing I don't like currently of what I'm doing is I need to find a better way to stop the movement driver from moving. Because I think right now what I'm doing, I don't think I have it in here, but I have. Oh, this is the magma slime. That's why I'm looking at the wrong enemy. I just have a nav disabled. And then if I turn that off, like it'll stop moving. But the issue with that is I think that's fine. What was the issue now? I don't remember.
I thought movement drivers. Let me see.
There's some what we were doing before is setting like the input driver to like the move direction to like 0, 0, or like the input direction, which I guess I could do that.
If you want the movement driver
to move direction.
Yeah, you could just set the input drivers like target whatever, like move direction to 0.
Yeah, the problem is if you set the target, it'll do weird stuff if you hit the enemy. Because if you hit them, they'll get knocked back to, then they'll try to move back to the position where they were. So you really just have to like disable their movement entirely.
I see.
So like they aren't trying to move anywhere. They just stand there, which is why I just disabled the navigation.
Yeah.
But I might make a function that like disables or re-enables it. Because I think there's some weird stuff with only disabling that navigation, and I think maybe just setting the move direction.
Yeah,
because I think because with the jumping, if the move direction would still be set, it wouldn't reset it, so it would like sometimes get stuck like jumping up and down over and over again.
I
don't remember. Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, I mean, you could do like a something inside of like even the base movement driver. I think this would be fine. It's like block input or something, or like freeze input, and then we could just have inside of the inside of wherever whenever it's getting the input from the input driver, it could just say like don't do that if it's
on the movement driver.
Yeah.
Okay.
That way we don't have to, because I'm sure that we are going to have multiple places we want to be able to stop movement.
Yeah,
I would say we could disable the movement driver, but since that usually handles gravity as well, that means it would just not move at all. It also wouldn't take knockback. Which maybe you want, probably not though.
I don't want that.
Yeah. I figured not. Alright. Shader time.
I don't know where I'm putting this, whatever.
Yeah, it's fine. I can help you out with it later.
I'm not gonna worry about that right now. So right now, the follow state, looks for an enemy. If you can't find an enemy, it'll switch to the wander state, but then I think I want to. So return a Boolean.
Oh, I might actually change something about this. That's okay.
See if this works.
Yeah, that does not do what I want it to. That looks pretty funny, but it doesn't do what I want it to. Like, how do I set this tier? I want you to be nearest, and I want you to be... No repeats? Yes repeat? I don't remember, actually. I think I want no repeat. The problem is that it clamps it. And I think I don't want that.
Okay, they aren't transitioning back to the wander state. Why not?
This has only... This
Oh,
only has 4 vertices?
If I set... So I have a variable in its target enemy,
Mhm.
which is on the follow state, so that way it knows which enemy it's targeting, and it can track its position. If I queue free that enemy, is target position still like a thing? Like if I do if target enemy,
Sorry, what?
does that still exist? Sorry.
Okay, so you're talking
So I
about
set
if
target enemy to
you're
an
doing
enemy
if check
in the
on
level.
something that's been free.
Yeah. Yeah.
I believe that fails the if check. If you want it to explicitly guaranteed fail the if check, you could do is instance valid, as like you can wrap that in the don't do a dot off of it.
Oh, is instance valid.
You pass it into a function called is instance valid, because you couldn't like call a function off of something that wasn't valid.
Oh yeah. Cause yeah, I theoretically this should in the physics process fail and then transition to the wander state, which it's not doing.
Messing with shaders, I am, yeah.
So right now, print target.
You should clear your console as well. Your game's starting to lag. Where your computer is.
Yeah,
You can
it's
also
null.
you can just turn off the you can click the eye thing to stop the two buttons below that.
It's not an
Yeah.
eye, by the way.
I don't know what I can't see what it is, but it looks kind of like an eye. I should,
So target enemy is null, so I don't know why this isn't going
does it have
to
a wander
the
state?
wander state. It does.
Transition
here.
wander is wander
Although here
transitioning
it
back
could-
to follow.
It shouldn't, because it's if current time is greater than wander time and check enemies, which is checking to see if there's enemies in the tree.
You should put a print inside of the physics update of the wander state to see what's happening. See if it's even hitting it. Do I have a list of must-have add-ons? Not a chance. I think Terrain 3D probably for working in 3D.
It is in the Wander state, it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I think I accidentally got rid of the randomized target. That was in here. Okay, let me just copy all of this so that way I don't lose it and
this is how we do version control
here.
But you know, we don't really use a whole lot of add-ons. I can show you the ones that we have enabled, and I don't remember how many there are. I don't think I use any of these, to be honest. I think we're probably going to get rid of most, if not all of them. JW can attest to it a little bit better, though, because he added all of them. Oh, is this my Godot? I just closed it. I just closed the entirety of Godot. No, just the...
What am I looking at?
Why is the add-on window so weird? I don't know what's going on.
Add-ons are nice, though. I like add-ons nice. I like add-ons nice. Dog, I'm so tired. I can't
you got this. We have this one that I made that probably is going away. We have GDFXR, which will probably be going away. But currently it's being used because it's a sound generation plugin that requires the use of itself whenever the game actually gets exported. It's like if you've ever used JSFXR, I think it's called. It's like a Godot port of that. Godot style is just a reminder for the style guide. This can be disabled, it doesn't matter. Resource tables is probably the only one that I think is actually like worth it out of the plugins, and that just makes it so that you can choose a folder. So for example, I can go here to cards and open this, and this will show all of your resources in that folder in like an Excel spreadsheet type of way, which is very useful for being able to see what they are or edit them. You can also like, I still think clicking this arrow should be the sort, but whatever. And so it'll sort through these. This one's actually very interesting and like useful, but yeah, no, this is basically the only one that I'm like, I really, really like this one. But the other ones are mainly just like, this one will probably be disabled. The other one was one that I made that will probably be disabled. And the style guide is just a style guide reminder that we don't even use.
It's useful.
Do you use it?
Like not currently, but I used to use it a lot.
You might want to clear your console.
I'm fine.
Yeah, your game looks like it's running at 2 FPS. I don't know if I'd call that fine.
It's fine.
Okay.
Where's that other print that's in the flip sprite, right?
Some shader stuff.
You fixed the thing on there, right?
I just haven't pushed that. Yeah.
That's fine. I just won't bother with it. Actually, I might want that because I'm going to be working with the weapons that are probably going to be on it.
Just just change the flip sprite. Like change the target to the sprite instead of the visual.
That's literally
That's all. Yeah. So I have an issue, which is that this needs more vertices. Is there a way to slice up a sprite in Godot, or do I just need to convert it to a polygon? I think I just have to convert it to a polygon. Sucks. Whatever. Life goes on. How the fuck does this work again? What does simplification do? Anyone know? Oh, cool.
Cool. Why are they changing their target position every like 0.2 seconds? Oh, maybe because the...
Is there an easy way to slice up a polygon in Godot? Do we not have that? We might not. I think I made a script for this at some point. Nope. Okay. Well, that's fine. I guess I can do this manually then. Theory, grid, snap. Oops. Settings. How large is this texture? Anyone know?
Are they like
72.9?
Why are they like shimmying around?
Shimmy, shimmy, yay, shimmy, yay, shimmy, ya. Why is your game running at like 5 FPS?
Yeah, that's a very good question. What did I do?
Are you printing a bunch of shit?
No, there's nothing printing currently. It's not showing that. What are they doing?
Maybe just spawn one of them instead of a gajillion. That might help you a little bit.
Okay, sure. I'm guessing it's like maybe. Oh wait! I see what it's doing.
Wait.
I forgot to set current time to 1. So it was just running randomized target every single every single frame, which was getting a random point on the tile navigation agent every single frame on every single enemy, which I imagine, or goblin, which I imagine isn't the most optimal.
Dude, what in the fucking world is the polygon editor? Anyone know how to use this shit?
I have no clue, don't worry about
We'll pay you $1 gajillion to come just do this part of the project. That's not true. But like, what the fuck is this? Why is it offset? Why is it offset?
Can't be that bad.
Like, look at this thing.
There we go.
It's offset. It's so weird. It could be shifted up like half a pixel to be aligned with the grid, but instead it's like, no.
Maybe like change this grid size.
The grid size is 1 on the y-axis. It's off by half a fucking pixel, and I can't make this half a pixel. I can't.
It's probably because it's 9 pixels tall.
I'm gonna get 9 pixels. Oh, well, guess what, dude? Fuck you.
Yeah, what?
I hate you.
This guy hates me.
Yep. This is true, actually. Here's what I'm gonna do. Sprite 2D. I'm gonna make a new atlas texture. I'm gonna drag in the pack.
Well, there we go. Now they wander around.
What the fuck?
Wonder if I.
Go.
Oh, there's like an animation now.
Yeah. Because you were like, dude, you should put an animation on the train. And I was like, okay, here's an animation on the train.
Yeah, and it looks terrible.
I hate you.
Bad. But look at that. They can even like hop up and down.
Whoa.
Wait, why can they jump up there? I didn't think I made their jump height any higher than like the other guys, but
so the other guy can what?
Yeah.
Maybe it might be the raycast position, actually. If you move the raycast position further towards the center, then they jump later. Maybe that's what we do with the other guy.
But look, they do a great job of wandering around.
Dude, they're wandering. You should like fix the flip sprite thing though.
Yeah, I should, but I'm having fun.
Oh, that's fair. I mean, have fun with it, dog. That's like the best part about game dev is sometimes you have fun with it, and then other times you're doing UI.
Yeah. I'm gonna make you do the UI polishing, by the way.
No! This is torturous. Don't do that. It needs to be done. I'll do it, probably.
Yeah. What is the frame rate right now? I feel like it's a little laggy. You know if there's any optimizations you can do for the? I guess it's 60 FPS. It's not bad.
What's up?
For the like ground pathfinding.
Yes.
Is it like very well optimized? Okay.
No, it's not remotely well optimized.
Yeah, I mean I'm getting like 80.
Actually, the ground. Wait for what? What are you doing with it? What are you?
I'm just wondering because it looked like it was stuttering a little bit, but it's not. It's just I think it's just some streaming.
It's also there are definitely some optimizations we can do. Every frame they're requerying their path, but they shouldn't be doing that.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking. Like,
they only need to do that whenever they reach a point or every X amount of time. And we can also like stagger them so they're not all doing it on the same frame. We can also, for the generation, it regenerates when they spawn in. We don't need to do that. It also, for the actual pathfinding query though, it shouldn't be that bad. But I there are some things that I'll end up doing, yeah. Because there's way too many connections in the graph. Like if you were to turn on the debug navigation for enemy navigation, or debug draw for enemy navigation, sorry. There are too many connections on the graph because every node on the bottom, so like if you look in that bottom right area below the jump pad, how there's like the 8
Mhm.
X's. Those are actually arrows, by the way. Each of those X's are connected to each other. Like,
I see, yeah.
yeah, like node 1 is connected to node 2, node 1 is connected to 3,
Mhm.
1 is 4, and then so on for each of
Yeah,
those.
yeah.
But there only
Makes
needs to
sense.
be one connection from like this node to that node.
Yeah.
Like 1 should be 2 and 3 and 4, and like that line should be connected only like 2 times for each node.
This might be the most evil system like ever
It's
created in all of
not
gaming.
even remotely. It's actually changed my outlook on a lot of pathfinding stuff. And actually,
Yeah, I just like don't understand it. It scares me.
yeah, he calls anything he doesn't understand evil, by the way. But I also, there was an issue Lukaiza was having with his project a while back, and I kind of realized that the pathfinding stuff I'm doing there can be very, very useful for what he wanted to do with his mystery dungeon game that he was working on for a while.
We should make a mystery dungeon game.
You don't even know what that means. You don't even know what words you're saying. You're just saying them.
Yeah, so? Okay, so they now follow and wander. Now they just need to attack. It can't be that hard, right?
Surely not. Wah. Sorry. That is my bad, gang at the... Oh.
Oh, also, Filippo Calippo, I did not see your message. That is great that you're loving Clip Studio. Quite wonderful. I love Clip Studio.
First said I hate you, by the way.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
JW hates Filippo.
No.
Yeah, bro's a Mr. Jeff Bader, and it's kind of fucking crazy. 74 get divided by anything cool? Any cool numbers that go into 74?
Maybe 6 or 7.
I don't think there's any cool numbers that go into 74, because if you divide it by 2, that's 37, which is not a number that is very pleasing. I'll just do it every, yeah, whatever. Snap, monk, 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 monk. The polygon editor in this engine is like, I really don't like it, but the idea of polygons in Godot is kind of cool, so I'll allow it. Because I think I can do cool things with this once I figure out what I need to be doing with it.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, dude, that works. I don't know what the hell it's doing, but it's... I can copy polygon to UV. Is that right? Polygons. Oh, I'm stupid. I see. I understand. Why the fuck are you blurry? Why? Stop being blurry, you motherfucker. Knock it off, dude. Okay, thank you. What? Why can't I? What the hell is going on here, dude? I don't understand how this shit works.
What the hell?
What the hell? Let me remove these. I think I made a mistake. I used internal polygon or internal vertices, and I should not have.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. LeBron James allegedly used the wrong tool for polygons.
Yeah.
Can I not? Oh my lord. They're doing this to me. Invalid polygon. Yeah, dude, we just got here. What are you talking about? What the hell is going on here? Can I not just add extra polygons? Can I do it up here? Oh, I can
I think that's making a new polygon, by the way.
create points. We'll find out. Yeah, it is. Okay, that's fine.
That's what I said, twin.
Oh my god. This isn't making any
So wait,
polygons.
do you need to do this to do the thing that you were doing before with the shader?
Kinda, I think. Because
Okay.
the issue with the shader is, well, actually, you know what? You're right. I should try doing this without the polygons. I thought the polygon would be the easier option.
Yeah, because the polygons are like really painful to work with.
So I thought it was going to be easier because I did something with polygons before, and it didn't seem like it was that much of a bitch to work with. But
It is.
yeah, that's okay. I'll just do this way. Because the issue is, the texture. Ignore that. There's only 4 points for me to work with. So if I want to edit where the vertices are, that doesn't work particularly well. But I can do something different with it, like I can inset it, I think.
I just realized, what if I just put one of the already existing attacks on the goblin? Will it just work?
Hopefully. Maybe not, though. Probably.
Um,
Well, the attacks require enemy stats, or expect enemy stats, I believe.
Oh, yeah, you're right, I think. Wait, double check.
The texture keeps forgetting it's not supposed to be
Slash.
to use by linear filtering. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck was up with that. I don't know why I just kept doing that. The project default is nearest, so I don't know why. Weird.
I don't think the slash one does.
No? Really?
No, because it really only needs aim direction.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. Then try, yeah, you can try slash if you want.
This is going to be very, it's enemy slash in the attacks folder, right? Not enemy slash in the enemies folder.
In the enemies folder? What?
Yep, there's 2 of them.
Oh. One of them's probably the
Oh,
old
here,
one
here.
or something. I don't know. Mhm.
Forgot to change the flip sprite.
How do you inset a polygon or sprite?
Inset?
I think I can.
I'll let you figure it out.
Yeah, don't worry, twin.
Yeah.
Is there?
I mean, I could help because, like, I'm really smart.
Yeah,
but
you're really good at
you got
shaders.
this. This is true, I am. Aren't they adding, like, the visual shader thing? Like, shader preview thing?
Yeah,
Something
well,
cool?
you said the visual shader thing. You know we have visual shaders in Godot, right?
Yes, I know. I
Okay.
meant, like,
Yeah,
shader
they're
preview,
adding,
not visual
I guess for anyone
shader.
who doesn't know, they are adding a change
Looks
so
like that was
that
an enemy. Okay.
each step of the shader function that you've got here, they're gonna start adding previews on the left so you can see how the data is getting mangled. Keyword mangled because that shit's getting fucking destroyed.
Okay, why are these guys not attacking?
Canvas side shaders.
Oh, duh, because I forgot to make it switch to the attack state when they get close. That might be like a little stupid.
Point size for point drawing? What in the fucking world does that mean? Vertex position in local space. Is there a way to get the center of an object
It's not
in
working.
a vertex pass? Vertex data is presented in local space. If not written to, the user can disable the built-in model to world transform and do it manually with the following code. I might just be able to say like vertex dot xy times equals like, let's say if I just multiply that shit by 10, does it just make it 10 times as large in a
Oh, that
where
is
it is?
not the right
Cool.
attack, I don't think. Yeah, that is not the right attack.
Lol. So I can do that, and then I can say UV divided by 10.
Or maybe it is.
Okay. Okay, I lied about that whole UV divided by 10 thing. That doesn't work. For some reason. I actually don't know why. Ooh. Oh, is it because I have to... Oh. Oh. UV divided by 10? Huh? Constants can't be modified.
Is that
Yeah,
right?
you're right, dude.
Okay, I don't know why it's.
Divided by 10. Oh, no, sorry. It would be times 10, right? Because that's how you zoom out on a UV. I lied, apparently. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm a fraud.
It's okay. Yeah, we know.
Bitlytic on Fraud Watch. Bitlytic on Frog Watch. How the fuck does the card 3D shader do inset?
Hey, why are they now
Vertex
not
equals
attacking
UV
him?
minus point. I'm just gonna copy this and I'm gonna hope that you're doing something that I care about. You've got extra shit that I don't need, which is times T. And inset's also... Oh no, it is defined.
Why is it? Why did no work?
Hmm?
Don't know.
There's like, this ain't working.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Is the attack state calling the function on the attack?
No, it's attacking. It attacks. They attack once, and then they don't attack again
Are
when they get near the enemy. Because it's checking to see if the instance is valid.
Mhm.
Which it is 100% getting to this because it's not transitioning to wander. It is transitioning to follow.
So
'cause
you're
they're chasing
it's
him
not
around.
attacking out of attack, or it's not transitioning out
It's
of attack.
not. Yeah, yeah. So if go into global position, resistance to target enemy at global position.
Have you printed to make
that's
sure
an
that
attack.
the signal is being emitted or anything?
What signal?
So if you go to the attack state, so it's doing if the attack finish disconnected,
Here.
yeah, you should do make sure that that's being printed.
Yeah.
This is the only place it's using inset? Dude, I don't understand. I could do this. Oh god. I might have to do something
It
really,
is.
really evil. It is?
Yeah.
Wait, so
But
what's
now
the
they're see
issue?
they're just chasing him around.
It looks like it's
They're
working.
no, it's not. That's the enemy hitting the other guy. See, the goblin isn't hitting at all.
Oh.
But if I spawn more goblins, they'll go run up and hit, but then they won't do anything else now. It is also a little weird because the attack is hitting the goblins, not the enemy. Which is funny.
Yeah, because the attack doesn't have the proper masking on it.
Yeah. So it is transitioning back to follow.
Can you turn on the debug hitboxes?
Okay.
Mangling for Godot functions would be kind of fire. Yeah, we need to mangle our code. Obfuscation needs to be the norm in GDScript. I should make a plugin that whenever you export your game, it runs through all of your functions and just obfuscates them. I'm also so surprised that I said that word correct as many times as I have. That feels wrong that I'm able to do that. Something's really funny about their fucking... they wiggle and they fucking hitbox. I'm putting that on screen. Dude, they wiggling that shit. Anyways, can you... Yeah, spawn an enemy. Yeah, give them like an enemy that doesn't walk around or attack. Like a... I don't remember if they target the DPS dummy, but the regular dummy.
No, they don't. They don't.
No. Are they attacking that guy?
See, they hit him once. Oh.
That's them hitting each other, it seems like. Because the enemy's not
Yeah.
swinging at you. So that looks like that's working, mostly. Unless...
Yeah, see, now it doesn't. I don't know why it doesn't.
Just stand up on like the the cat tree and they'll all just stand still. Okay. Are they attempting to call the do attack function again?
I don't know.
Okay.
Because they're stuck in the follow state, is what's happening.
Are they? So they're still just staying in the follow state?
Yeah, I mean, I can see if I do.
I don't remember if that'll work because they're not enemies. Does that even work now? He's
Yeah, it does.
swapping.
Yeah, let me respawn some goblins. Yeah, it does.
Oh, okay.
We will be able to see now. That guy's.
Oh, they're still in the attack state.
Oh, I see. Interesting.
I don't know how or why, but they are.
I guess whatever gets them out of it didn't get triggered. So let's see in here what transition. It's on attack finished.
When you printed, that should be calling it, right?
Yeah, but I think it wasn't every time. I think it was only sometimes. Seemed to be.
Could it be that they're trying to transition out, but it's immediately going back into the state?
Yeah, that's actually that is possible.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you should print in the inner function of the attack state. Also, you should spawn one goblin instead of the 18 from the card. That'll make it way easier to debug.
print here. Okay.
Yeah, just to see how many times like do like entering attack or whatever. Where the fuck? I really want to be working on this shader, but I keep looking over. And...
That's okay. I need help too.
This is true.
You want to play Subnautica too?
Yeah, sure, dude. Yeah, man. Okay, so making that larger is not what I want. Unless, what if I multiply this? That is also not what I want because... Oh, I understand. So the...
Okay, yeah, you're right. It does. It went back into the attack state again. Now he's stuck in the attack state.
Yeah, probably because
So I think
tried to reconnect the signal, but the signal's already connected, and then the exit function gets called.
yeah. So anyways, I'll put a delay on the
You can also do
attacking.
yeah, you could do a dot call deferred on something somewhere. so that it.
Yeah, well, this should have like a minimum time as well
That's
before
true,
they can
yeah.
attack.
Yeah. I believe all states. Do they have a current time on them? I don't remember. I thought all states did, but I may be wrong on that.
It's a current target time. I don't remember what that was for, but is that being used? No, it's not. So, oh, here we already have it. Enemy target frequency in here, so we can use that.
So minus 0.5. This will. I need to draw a picture of this. This is our box. 0, 1. So the problem is if I divide this by 10, this goes to 0. If I divide this by 10, this goes to 0.1. But what I want instead is I want it to be based around the center point. So I would... Oh god. I would subtract 0.5 from it. Yeah,
There we go. That should
subtract
hopefully
0.5
help
from
out.
it. Affect it by the amount and then remove it back this direction. Yeah. So minus 0.5. I also really like that the shading language uses like context clues for everything. So that like 0.5, if you're subtracting 0.5 from a vector 2, it subtracts it from both the x and the y, but if you're subtracting from just a float, it just subtracts it from the float. So like I can do uv or I can do like uv.x and it won't really change anything, which is very fun. Let's see, so subtract 0.5. You are now offset by the inset. That looks like that keeps the texture size. And then I need to add back 0.5 times inset. Nope, I'm wrong. Incorrect. What the fuck? What?
And just hitting himself.
Sorry, is he hitting himself?
Okay,
Is that what you
it doesn't
said?
work. Yeah, he hit himself
That's
and then he
funny
died. Okay, well that does work
Stop
though.
hitting yourself. So 0 to 1 becomes 0.5, or minus 0.5 to 0.5. Let's say we multiply these up, so this becomes minus 5 and 5. I need to now... What do I do? Wait, no. Yes, no. Wait, I might be thinking about this all wrong. I might be doing something stupid. Hold on. I'm putting you on screen. I'm gonna go get my notebook. I'm gonna make schizophrenic ramblings on a fucking sheet of paper.
That's fine. I need to make the attack actually work.
Okay, I'm back.
What is it saying? Oh, that was fast.
Well, yeah, because it was just in my laptop bag. I'm actually so happy I picked up this this notebook while we were at PAX, by the way. Having just like a physical sheet of paper to write shit on is actually so fucking handy.
It is kind of nice, yeah.
It's like actually disgusting because like I'm like, oh dude, no, you shouldn't need a sheet of paper, and it's like, turns out this shit's actually kind of crazy. Turns out people were right. What the fuck?
It is kind of crazy,
Let
yeah.
me turn up the light in here. Okay. Let me put on my... No, that's in the way of the whatever. Oh wait, am I stupid? Can I just add 0.5 to this? Am I dumb? The answer is maybe a yes.
That's maybe a yes.
Oh, that's funny. Okay. I'm glad I got a piece of paper out. I don't think I would have figured that one out. Alright, check this one out, chat. I thought it was going to be something crazy. It's not. I can just add 0.5 to the end of this, and now we're back to regular programming. Cool. Which means that I can now do cool things with this. Whoa. Should it be wiggling that shit? Do you...
Hey, that does actually just kind of work.
What? This?
Yeah.
Do you think that it should be pixel snapped? Because I can try to make it pixel perfect if
Probably
you want.
not, but if you want to, sure.
Okay.
I don't think so, no. Don't do it.
Okay.
It's too much work.
It's not, but yeah. It's too much work, he says. Dog. It's not. Probably.
Yeah, you're probably gonna like make it pixel snap, but then like if you zoom in the camera or move, change the size of your screen, it all just like completely
Ooh,
messes up.
almost. This isn't canvas layer stuff, so nope.
What?
Yup. It's texture pixel size.
What?
This is...
What?
Knock it off, dude. I don't know what you're doing, but I don't like it.
What?
Why are you doing the fucking, the Chris Pratt
What?
fucking... What? And then he fucking blows the guy up with guns or whatever. Now I know
Who's
that's
Chris Pratt?
bad. It's like, Guardians of the Galaxy, I think.
Oh, I've never seen that one.
I haven't either. I feel like that's something I actually should see. People are saying it's actually really good. That even... I don't know if it's Marvel or not, but if it is Marvel, non-Marvel fans say it's good. And if it's not Marvel,
It
then
is
non-Marvel.
Marvel.
It is Marvel? Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
It's like people who are still not even into Marvel still say it's good. I'm like, maybe.
Can't you not wait for the new Marvel Magic set? It's
Oh
gonna
no,
be
dude,
so
I cannot
great.
wait for the new Marvel Magic set. I love Marvel so much. I love Marvel so much, dude.
Hey, at least it'll save me some money.
That's true.
Just kidding. I'm still gonna be spending money on cards.
True.
Just not the Magics. They're not the Marvel set.
Fucking
The
Elon
Hobbit one looks pretty sick though.
Marvel
I'm not
set.
gonna lie.
Yeah, it does.
That one will be fire.
Which is, that's a good thing because the Hobbit, from what I understand, is not amazing, like as a movie. So I'm hoping they're more based off of the books, but
Yeah, probably.
books. I said books as if it's multiple books. It's just one book.
Mm-hmm.
I've actually read that
Yeah.
book.
How many? There's like what, 3 movies or something?
There are, yeah, for one. Here we go, JW.
Like-
Look at this.
Oh dang, wait.
Yeah, it was fast. I know.
I don't know if I like it or not. I mean, is it just like a toggle? Can you just make it like a toggle?
I could make it a toggle. I could also
on or
make it
off?
so that it's like, instead of it being every pixel, I could make it like half.
No, do not make it half pixels.
I can make it every 4 pixels.
No, we're not doing that. We're not adding pixels to
We're
our...
not adding mixels. No mixels.
Also, there is some weird stuff in there. It doesn't look like it's quite pixel perfect.
What are you talking about? Where?
I don't know. There's like some weird jumps in like the curve, but
In the
that's
curve?
good.
Well, that's because the
Maybe it's
curve.
fine.
That's because of the curve. That's not because of the.
Yeah, I guess it's just a little weird. Yeah.
Yeah, like you can see, it's because the curve itself has like some spots that are higher jumps.
Yeah,
than
I
others.
see. Yeah, you can just make it a toggle, and then if we want it, we can try it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. That's enough. Okay. Okay.
That's
Throw
enough
wiggling.
slices. That's enough slices. Yeah.
What?
Oh, you don't get that one? It's fine. Don't even worry about it. Anybody want coffee? You know that one?
You want coffee?
I love anybody want coffee. That shit's so funny to me, and I really just don't know why. What the fuck did I just do that opened up File Explorer?
What?
Oh, that's cool. Super E or Windows E. I don't like calling it super. I tried it one
E.
time. I tried calling. That was the first time I've
Super
ever called it
E.
super. Nah, Windows.
Super
It's just
E.
Windows. Yeah, the Windows key and E opens up File Explorer on Linux. That's very cool. I also need to get out of the habit. if I want to open up my console, I'll type in CMD, but I don't need to do that. I can just do Control-Alt-T to open up terminal. But I am very happy that CMD gets redirected to console on Linux because they're like, we know what you're doing. We know what you are.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Ooh, ISO EP.
See, dude, there we go. Look at that. Yeah, see, we got mixels. See? This way, for every 1 pixel, it's 2 pixels. Ain't that cool? I can also make it every 4 pixels, it's 1 pixel. For every 1 pixel is 4 pixels. Or I can make it every half, so there's half as many pixels.
You might be the worst to ever do it.
Make it 0. It doesn't
Have it that if you turn down the graphics quality, it turns down the quality of the pack opening, but just the part that like tears
just
like that.
this, yeah. Just this.
Just
Everything else
that.
is still like the full resolution. If you turn down your graphics
Yeah.
quality, it actually ups the quality of everything else except for this. That might be the move, I think.
That might be the move.
Uniform equal pixelate is true. And then I'll actually group uniforms isolation. Because I've started using I've stopped using uniform groups. So that makes it way easier for JW to go in and edit shaders.
Yeah.
Because it just means that like the effect that you're looking for is under its own like group.
Yeah.
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 So there we go. So pixelation off. Pixelation on. Off. On.
What?
What?
That's crazy.
Yeah, and then I can make it higher definition, or I can make it like weird numbers. So it's like 2.7 pixels per pixel. See, dude, that's cool, man.
2.7 pixel per pixel.
6.7 pixels per pixel.
Beautiful.
I know, man. I don't know, I feel like I like the pixelation one better, honestly, compared to this versus that.
Yeah, maybe I would just animate it, and then we can turn it on or off and see how we like it.
Yeah.
Because like I do like the pixel perfect, but like a lot of the other stuff in the game isn't, and I would like to keep it consistent if we're going to do that. Because there'll be a lot of like squash and stretch and stuff too. Because we might like squish the pack kind of when it opens as well.
Mm-hmm. Well, that's not. That has nothing to do with
like
this.
squeeze and shake.
The squashing and stretching of this is separate from the shader.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying that like it would be inconsistent to have it like squash and stretch not pixel perfectly and then have that be pixel perfect. I'm just being picky. It's literally fine.
Stop opening the fucking shader editor, you bastard. How do I turn this off? I thought I turned this off before, but it's pissing me off. Every time I click on this,
Yes, PMO.
it opens up the shader, and I don't want it to.
Is this
do that.
scaled?
It's what scaled?
No.
I hope
I'm
not.
just figuring out if I need to scale this by 4. Oh, that's a big sword.
Kiddo, please stop doing
Is it-
this.
I think something is not scaled, or is it? Ah, yes, you.
Does anyone know if I can turn this shit off? Please. Save me. Is it because the material's open? I guess it is. Every time I open the material, it opens up the fucking shader. Is it because I have that selected, perhaps? There we go. Okay, yeah, it's because I had this open. And so that's annoying, but I guess it's nice to know for later. Cool. Okay. Set. Does it have shader graphic? It does. I don't like using it because I'm much more of a in the brain, like in the code, in the word shader kind of person. But yeah, you can do a new shader and you can choose that it is a visual shader. which I'll just make it built in really quickly to show you. But yeah, we have shader graph. I'm also, you know, let me turn off single window mode. I don't need that. I was testing something out and fix this so I can pop this out. Yeah, for sure. It's like a 2-second detour. That's what we stream
2
for.
seconds.
Yeah, I love detours. Oh, okay. Oh, it didn't save the thing that I had just made. That's okay. You can take your time, Godot. Are we chill? We're not chill. Please let me click on things. Uh-oh. I can't click on anything. Oh, because there's a... It opened up on a different window. I see. There we go.
Oh yeah, it's always so funny when it does that.
So yeah, if I go here and then say material, new shader, make it built-in visual shader. Making it built-in so I just don't have to save it anywhere. But yeah, I can do like, is it input all color? So I can say like connect this color to the output color. I believe you can set defaults for this. I actually don't remember 100% how to use these. I assumed this would show up here. I guess maybe this isn't like a parameter. Add a node file. New shader include. Nope. Manage varyings. No. Oh, dude, that's actually so fucking cool. I didn't know that. You can actually see. You can see this. You can do like your what the code would look like if it was actually code. Also, I did it wrong. Input is this is the color of the actual thing. But I'm looking for an input uniform, I guess, which I actually don't know how to add uniforms in this. Is it file? No, I don't think I can click over here to add it. If I right click on this, there's nothing. I am somehow back here. Need shader node. Let's make you larger. Special? Nope. Bacteria utility. If I type in uniform, does it know? Color. Color constant color parameter. I'm assuming this is it. Qualifier is a none color parameter called my color. What if I just like, oh, there we go. Okay. Yeah. Is there a mix node by chance? There is. I said, is there a mix node by chance, as if that's like, as if they wouldn't ever have that.
Yeah, that's a little crazy.
And then that means I can also, can I drag this back? Oh, I can. Let's fucking go. Parameter. I can make a float parameter, which I will just call mix amount. And then now if I were to go back here, this sprite, if I were to just give it a sprite really quickly, toss it over here, you can see that by default, it has the parameter. So if I want it to be no color mixing, and then if I wanted it to be closer to the other color, I can do that. So there, it's simple. It works. It's not. Oh, that's not doing what I expected.
Oh, actually, but yeah, I'm realizing that I might have to change
I wonder.
something in here. Because this is not getting this will not have like the card instance and stuff for the attack.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So.
There you go. But yeah, visual shaders in Godot, I think, are fairly like what is the word? Fairly in parity with non-visual shaders. Like if you can do something in a GD shader, you can probably do it in a visual shader. You can also, after you're done with a visual shader, or after you've gotten it to the point where you can do anything more in the visual shader, you can also do, you can convert it to shader code. And actually, I'm going to re-add that visual shader. I'm going to re-add a visual shader because I need to check something. Which would actually be, this would actually be really fucking cool. I don't remember if you can do this in Unity. I think you can. But I'm just curious. Can I add a load shader include file? Can I do that? Wait. Like shader include. Okay, no. Let me pop this back out. Because I can do a new shader include. I can do a new shader. I can't load one into this though, it seems. Frame expression? Custom Godot shader language expression with custom amount of input. Not what?
Hey, back. How's the goblin card? It is
Oh,
going
shit.
well.
It's cool.
I gave them swords. Oop. Hold up. It crashed. Detection area enter. Oh. Oh wait,
Global expression parameter ref varying setter reroute. Oh, I see. Frame.
let's try that again. I forgot to set the export variables because I copied the script.
Yeah, okay. It doesn't seem like we can do this, which would... maybe you can. I wonder actually, could I do like a hit flash GD shader ink?
There we go. Look at that. Now they have their little swords. Look at them go.
No, probably not. The thing that I was curious about is we have this I don't remember if this is a concept elsewhere. I mean, it is in GLSL, but we have like a shader include, which is like a fragment. That's a bad word to use for shaders.
Look at the little goblins go.
It's like a portion of a shader, and you can include this in other shaders, which is very similar to like a pound include inside of like a C style language, so that you can reuse this code without redefining it every shader. And I was like, it'd be really cool if you could GD shader include inside of visual shaders. You might be able to. I don't know how to. I don't really care enough to figure it out though. But you might be able to see if there's something you couldn't do inside of a GD shader, like a visual shader, you could maybe include it via just the raw code and then do a pound include for that. Whoa, they have swords, dude. Those are some very big swords.
Yeah, they're also very small goblins.
Yeah.
Yeah. They're a little dumb. I might want to make them like prefer closer enemies. Because right now they're like going after random enemies basically.
Yeah.
And then they're a little stupid. But I mean, they're also goblins. They're not the brightest creatures. Wait, what is this guy just doing up here?
He probably can't reach anything.
In a corner. Oh wait, you're right.
Yeah, because he can't drop
Maybe.
down.
That's really funny. Why couldn't he just like drop down now?
Can you before everything dies, can you turn on the tile and enemy debug draw?
Yeah.
Oh, he hit debug camera. You have to turn that back off.
Oh,
no.
I didn't realize that was a thing.
Yeah. Okay, yeah.
So,
So
like,
he doesn't know
you're
that
like-
he can drop. He only looks straight down. It doesn't look down and to the left at all or down and to the right at all.
But like, couldn't he drop straight down to here?
Can you go down? Keep going down. Like, go down. Maybe. Can you see what color that node is? That it's got highlighted? The one at the very bottom of the green line. That one? Yes.
Looks like it's red. It's red.
Okay, that's probably the issue. It's just something that'll have to be changed whenever the
me turn these on
pathfinding
because
is
they're lagging
revisited.
like crazy.
Huh?
Oh, I can't turn them off, can I?
You can. It's just it doesn't.
Oh, it just doesn't update.
Yeah,
Okay.
it doesn't update.
But so far, these guys actually don't work too terribly.
Yeah, and they'll work better. I mean, the great thing about this, and I really do like how a lot of game development works this way, is I have to make improvements to the ground enemy pathfinding, and when that improvement comes through, those guys will just get like a free upgrade.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are co-developing the game. He is the main person who made the game. And he
Yeah,
does
right
art
now
mostly.
they're picking a new target every time they hit something, so I might have them just like focus one target until they kill it. The only issue with that is then if they try to go after target, like they can't get too realistically like a flying guy, then they'll just be stuck like jumping around trying to hit him.
Yeah, just have it
But-
check like if the enemy's too far away or if it's like blocked by a wall or like something like that, and then you could have them
Yeah.
update their pathfinding only then.
They're also only doing 1 damage, which is very funny.
Oh, sorry, my fault.
So what's going on down here with this guy?
Let's see. It'd be also really cool if the goblins could, like... I know this is way over scope and also something that isn't realistic for us to do. It'd be really cool if they could, like, build a tower of themselves to jump up further or something. Or, like, launch... You could have, like,
That would be
a
very
goblin
funny,
launch
yeah.
another goblin at an enemy through the
Mhm.
air.
Yeah,
Which would be kind of sick.
that would be kind of sick.
Um,
But yeah, they really struggle with the hive guy because they just start going after the little ones. I should also probably have them just like try to hit anything if they get close enough to it. Because like right now they'll just like run past other enemies to try to get to their target and then just ignore the other ones. But I could totally make it that they will just hit anything if they get near it. But
All right, let's actually work on this animation now that I have things working. So I don't know what frames I'm gonna need, nor do I know what I want this animation to look like. But I know that I can do this to these. And then let's say that say goodbye, Mr. Zedfire. I wonder... How would a pack open look like? What would it...
here I can demonstrate.
Alright, buddy.
Do
You're, like, fucked up.
you want me to turn on my camera?
Nope.
Okay, fine. I won't do that right now. We can wait till after stream and I can show you what it looks like.
Rip off then rotate. Yeah, I think it might be something like that, where it does like a rip off like this, and then the...
So the only thing there so that looks fine, like right there at the beginning. Once it gets towards the end, it starts to look a little weird. Because if you
Yeah.
look at it, like the far right side like lifts up, but the left side should lift up more as well. Or
Yeah.
yeah, I guess you could like rotate it as it goes that way.
Yeah, it's also gonna like fucking off to the side or something.
Yeah. I can always adjust that since it looks like it's decently easy to.
Yeah, it's
adjust.
the weirdest thing is adjusting the curve, because you would assume that
Yeah.
you would keyframe this, but you actually keyframed these down here.
Mhm.
Specifically the position and the tangents
Yeah,
of whatever you're changing. Those are the things that matter.
That makes sense.
And if you ever add more points to the curve, you'll have to also keyframe those. But if you do that, then you're gonna have to remake everything, which is fine. It's honestly not that bad to do. But yeah, no, also this definitely should lift up more, which I thought.
yeah. The left side should
The left side should stay down as well.
Hmm.
I guess that kind of works. Like it should keep the same kind of sloped shape, because right now it's kind of turning into like a wave that goes like up and down. I don't know how to describe.
Yeah,
curves.
it's like it's doing like a
Yeah,
S
it's
shape.
doing like it should just be like a single curve. Like that, yeah. So basically that should just lift up and then rotate.
Yeah. Also, I would like the pivot.
You can change the pivot, yeah.
Shit. Yeah, I
You can use the tool in the top
yeah,
left to change it.
I know. It's
Hopefully
just
that won't break things.
Yeah, that's the problem. It's not a big issue because I can just like.
Yeah, you could just make something that rotates instead. I love.
Where the fuck
Oh.
are you? Where are you? Sorry.
I'm so sorry.
That song fucking sucks, by the way.
It's not that bad.
That song is really bad. Anything Blink-182
It's not
does,
like
their singing is so
great, but
whiny.
It's not
so...
terrible. No, they have some good.
Where are
songs.
you? And I'm so sorry is like not words that make sense if you put them in a like. It's just like
Yeah, have you listened to music before?
yeah. Usually they try to make the words make sense and still tell
That's
the
lame.
like story and feelings, but they're just like, nah, dude. I'm gonna just put like the general ideas, and you can fill in the blanks in your head because we can't write lyrics that make sense. We just write feelings, but not in a good way.
This guy hates music.
Not music, no. I hate specific kinds of music. Specific bands, I would say.
I really need to make the skull rare. It's like a little bit OP.
A little bit, yeah. Just a wee bit. Wee OP. Oh shit. Oh shit. Where the fuck did you
Get 'em
go?
goblins.
Oh, there it is. Found it. I cannot wait for Godot 4. Honestly, maybe we try out a Godot 4.7 build.
Yeah.
Because I cannot wait to be able to collapse sections like these inside of the animation player. That is one of my favorite fucking thing. Yeah, we could have it disintegrate after. There's nothing... I mean... Is Dissolve a GD in ink?
Oh, these guys are doing something interesting. It seems like
It's not.
I think I need to check to make sure they can actually make it to their target.
Oh, yeah.
Because right now, if they can't reach it, they just kind of like stand there in the follow state.
Yeah. Crazy idea.
Which I
Yeah,
thought
yeah,
I had
yeah,
to check
yeah, yeah.
before, but maybe I don't.
Yeah, we can do a thing because we have like a dissolve shader that we can put on things. See, I could just like crumble into fucking pieces or whatever after it like flies off the side. But
Oh yeah, I guess I don't.
what'd you say?
I need to have a check for nav dot is path valid. So if the path is not valid, then we will go
All
to
of
the
these minus
wonder state.
37. Okay, sick. Did you know that you can animate the X and Y axes of a vector separately?
No, I didn't know that.
I was about to say yes.
No, I wasn't. That's not true.
No.
Oh, you can still just run around while the train animation is playing.
Yeah, happens. Can I not reorder the? Oh, I can.
Professional game developer, by the way.
Where the fuck are we getting professional from? That shit was never. Do not put that on my name. That's not true. I'm a game developer.
Self-proclaimed professional. What happened?
What happened? What happened?
I don't know. It crashed.
Go up the tree a little bit.
How do I? Where?
Like frames. Your sorry stack. I don't know why I said tree.
Oh,
Yeah.
Git component.
Yep. So go up one more.
Look at current hand. Oh, I see. It's
Who is
fire
target?
stuff.
Target is null, I think. Can you hover target?
Target
Hover target?
is null.
Okay, go up the stack again. Oh, I forgot to set the target there.
think-
Can you add
okay.
fire.target equals target?
After this or
Before it, preferably. Before the function that requires
Yeah.
target to be defined,
okay.
is my guess.
Should that just like work now if I like?
Yes, there's another place. Well, you can't hit the continue because it's still trying to apply null target. There's another place that applies fire that I don't think I added the thing to.
There we go. It's working now.
Yeah. Yeah, it was just can you search for fire effect.new and there's like a relic or a sticker or something that you have that applies fire that I forgot to add the target
Fire
into as well.
Is it?
Just fire effect.new, yeah, like the class.
Yeah.
There should be only like 3 or 4 places in the entire code that does it.
Fire area sticker, brimstone sticker.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
The
Yeah,
target
just the
equals
exact same
target.
thing, yeah.
Fire.target.
Yeah.
Yep. Cool. Let's go brimstone sticker. Makes me laugh every time.
What even is it, actually?
It's the lighter.
Brimstone's way cooler than the lighter, I won't lie to you.
What even is like what?
What even is
Draw me a
brimstone?
brimstone sticker.
It's just like a fiery rock in hell. What are you talking about, dog?
Yeah, that's definitely makes sense as like a sticker, you know.
Yeah, it's just a fiery rock. You're in hell.
I hate this guy.
Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me.
Me. Type shit. JWP like.
Oh wait,
hate
I just thought
creativity.
of an amazing card idea.
Mhm.
Hey, it's a card that just explodes every single summon that you have out currently.
Whoa, that is kind of cool.
It just blows them up.
Hey, what does this do? Oh shit.
So like
I'm
Salmon
blind.
Storm plus blow up all your summons and you do a bunch of damage.
This
Oh.
looks really funny because I'm not affecting the rotation at all.
Wait, what? What's going on there?
Maybe what's going on there?
Why is it? Oh, okay. I see. It's flying off. Okay.
Yeah, which it's probably a little.
Should fly off. It's flying off a little too early.
You sure?
Yes.
The wind blew it away.
It just like lifts up. Must have been the wind.
Must have been the wind. Honestly, dude, maybe I just leave it here and I let you work with it. I think it's workable
Yeah,
for you.
maybe we like don't let you do anything artistic.
Listen, man, I got it working. You can make it good. Right? That's how
No,
that
I don't
works.
know about that one.
Well, you can make it better. Still don't know about that one. Probably though.
Yeah.
Let me add here's another thing I can actually add. This is the most random fucking thing that just popped up in my mind. Let's add the ability to sort for the most recently obtained cards. Or like the most recently unlocked cards. Because I just realized that we don't have that currently.
Okay, yeah, I really like the new fire effect. It feels a lot better.
Yeah. It's also easier to modify, and it's going to be easier to add. Whoa!
Yeah.
You got rid of the platform there?
What? Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't notice that.
I don't remember why. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't either. That's okay.
But yeah, I did.
It's probably fine. We should also... You haven't played very much Terraria, but I was actually thinking about this today. One of the big things whenever you fight bosses is you usually have to like excavate the area and make a boss arena, usually relevant to the boss that you're fighting. I think it would be useful for us to look at some of the boss
What did I
arenas
just
that
get
people...
hit by?
I don't know.
Sorry.
But I think it would be very useful for us to look at the boss arenas that people make in Terraria and try to base some of our boss rooms off of that, because
Oh, also, sorry.
that way you can kind of use the boss arenas without like you're not excavating the thing, you're just kind of like making it, you know.
There's a fun bug.
How
If
are
you
you doing
double
that?
jump on a jump pad, you get like a mega jump.
Are you jumping like after or before?
Nope. I'm just holding down jump.
You're holding down
I
jump?
hit the jump pad. Yep.
Like you just...
So I hit this. I hit jump as I hit the jump pad. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, right as I hit it. If you have to time it right.
Yes.
Then you'll get like a mega jump, and then you still have your jump after that too, which is funny.
Yeah, I see what's happening. That's fine, probably. I do want to revisit
fine,
those.
it's
People
fine.
have still been complaining about those, like Mr. Yep.
I don't know. I don't see.
I don't either, but I
That's
do.
fair.
I think that it's a valid criticism, and I do want to at least explore a different possibility, and
Yeah.
we can see if we like it or not. I'm thinking like, what if we just made them platforms that you can drop through, like just a regular ground, and if you press jump while you're on it, it launches you higher.
Maybe. I don't really like the idea of that, but maybe we
Yeah,
can try that.
I think it's worth at least experimenting with. I don't think that that's the one that I prefer either, but I would like to at least see if it's better, or at least it's good. All right, let me do...
I love playing my own game instead of working.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, we also need to get the transition between levels going at some point.
Yeah.
That way, start cooking up new level stuff. There really isn't like that much in terms of new level stuff that we have to do besides just like art and level design and like some new enemies. Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, infinite recursion.
What?
Oh,
Hey, someone who's using recursion just... Whoa, that's crazy. That's so weird. What the hell?
don't worry about it.
Whoa, that's so weird. Infinite recursion. Who could have foreseen this coming?
No, it's actually from attack finish. This wasn't from me.
This wasn't from you, are
Apparently.
you sure?
Yeah.
Scroll up a little bit. What's the function that keeps causing the looping? Because I see that it's inside of Canon Skeleton Wander.
Where?
Scroll up. I don't know, the 1,000 stacks of the same function call
Oh,
that's right
this
above
one.
that. The randomized target
don't
function that just
worry
keeps getting
about
called.
that.
Like, dude, that's why I told you not to use recursion. It doesn't need to be recursive.
Okay, well, I don't know how to do without it.
What do you mean?
JW type of guy to hardly work instead of working hard. This is true. I don't.
So how's it
work on Dante
recursively
9.
going? Is the issue that there's no... It can't find a position that is further than its, like,
Yeah.
desired distance?
Yeah. So it basically tries to find a position that's not near the player, and then
Yeah, so the issue is you don't have like an exit condition. So what you want to do, do you want to change this so it's still recursive but doesn't break like this?
no. I think we probably should change it so it doesn't have like any chance of breaking.
Well, we're gonna do that either way. The easiest change right now that you could make without changing it to be just like a loop with an exit condition is just like take the function randomize target and add a parameter to it
Yeah.
called like current depth. That is an int. And set it to 0 by default.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see what you're doing now.
And then randomize target, call that, and do current depth +1. Okay, no way, bro did current time +1. And then you can do in the if check there, you can do and current depth less than like, I don't know,
Yeah.
10, 20, 100, whatever you want it to do.
We'll just say 10. That's fine.
And that
And
should
then-
ideally not do the thing. But also, you're not using the return value of the recursive function, which is like kind of the main reason you do recursive functions. But
Yeah. Well, I'm like a
It's
little
fine.
stupid.
yeah, no, it's fine.
That
I mean,
was
it's
just the
definitely like
fastest
a
way to
useful
make it
thing.
work.
So honestly, this is a good thing because now you're seeing why you wouldn't want to approach it with a recursive function. And I think
Yeah.
that will help you more in the future than if you just like blindly
Still
listen to what I
dead,
told
it's
you not to do.
Yeah.
Um. Can I get the Unix, like, time? Get Unix time from system? Wait a minute. Turns the current Unix timestamp in seconds based on that. Is this a... It returns it as a float? Weird. Oh, cool. Okay, that works.
Make sure this guy is still. I don't have him in there. You guys aren't gonna crash, right?
Preferably not.
Yeah, it seemed to be fine.
They're all hitting each other, which is very funny.
No, they're not.
Are they not?
That's the. There's a bunch
Oh,
of
I
goblins
see.
down there,
Not all
too.
of those are your allies. I see. You got goblins and
Yeah.
enemy dudes. It's a little hard to tell which ones are allies and which ones aren't, to be honest. But
Yeah, that is one thing I need to work on.
yeah, yeah. You're
I will definitely give these guys like some higher contrast and stuff. They're a little too hard to see right now. Oh. Anyways, well that works at least. That's good.
what? Am I stupid? Oh shit, I am. Lol. How do I want this to be?
Okay, how do I want to connect the card instance? This is a card ability. So I can grab the card from there. And I think I will probably spawn the equipment in like dynamically because, or the whatever weapon they have, because each one will probably have a different weapon when you spawn them in. So I
Oh,
could probably spawn it in and then be
nice.
like, hey, your card instance is this.
Ooh, you know what I just thought about, actually? So I'm assuming what you're talking about is the enemy attack class, which is what you're using right now. This thing, right?
Yes, that's what
So
I'm
you were like,
saying.
I want this to have like the information that it's attacking with a card or something like that.
Yeah, because I need like the card instance to get the damage and effects and things like that.
So I think what could be kind of interesting is rather than going in here and saying like card instance is now a variable on this and you have to assign this wherever. You don't need to do this. I'm just kind of like thinking out loud and seeing how you feel about it. What we could do is like if owner is node ready or like something like this. Wait, owner dot ready. We can actually grab the card instance like this. Which mean that like if the goblin
sure?
you spawn.
Is that
What's up?
is there a card instance?
What do you mean is there a card instance?
Like, is card instance a component? I didn't know that.
Anything can be.
Oh, okay.
Like anything. Like nodes can be components, ref counted can be components, resources, literally anything in the entire. If it has a class name, it can be used as a component because of the way that I set it up. Which is I'm very, very happy about that. But what that means is that whenever like inside of, is it card attack that you're using or is it card ability? What is the thing called?
A card ability is what I'm using
Card
right now
ability.
for the base goblin.
Like whenever you spawn something, I guess this doesn't really have activate card instance, activate, blah, 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 whatever. Like let's just say like attach to object or something like that, which this doesn't actually need to be here. This can be fucking wherever. But like let's say that you're spawning in the goblin. We'll just say goblin as in node 2D. We'll assume that this is populated. Then you could do like usefill.add component to the goblin. You could use the card instance as the card instance. So that, sorry, not add component, set component. Target, component, and class. Yeah. So like when you spawn the goblin, you can actually attach the card instance to it so that the enemy attack can grab that off of the owner, and then it could say if not card instance, you know, just return, and then otherwise like do card stuff here in a way so that we don't have to do like a card instance here as a member of the class, and whenever something attacks or whenever the goblin spawns, it has to say, yo, get my attack, do my attack dot card instance equals my current card instance. So you don't have to like funnel it all the way down. It can kind of just like reach up and grab the component if it's there, and if it's not, then this is an attack coming from an enemy, or this is an attack that doesn't have a card instance. Do you understand what I'm saying with that, or does that make sense?
A little bit. I don't.
It's
I feel
totally
like
okay
It's a
if
little overkill. That then
Yeah.
feel like just passing the card instance down.
it might be. Yeah,
Easy.
yeah. I just
Like I don't
wanted
really
to-
see any huge benefit to that besides like, oh, you don't have to pass it down.
pretty much that. It's mostly that you don't have to cascade it all the way down from the
Cascade, is that like a Magic
Yeah,
the Gathering reference?
great.
Like a
I knew you'd say that. It's like rather than having to go like, you know, here's my card to the goblin to the attack. It's kind of like the card just sets it to the goblin and the attack reaches up and grabs it, and then anything else, like let's say there's something else that needs to know about the attack or the card, we can grab it from that as well. But yeah, it's not something that you need to do. I just wanted to bring it up to you as like an idea and see how you felt about it. And also just to get the words out there, out of my brain, because that I kind of like that idea in a couple of different places that we are currently passing the card down into. Like for example, in the salmon, whenever I'm spawning it now, I had to go in and change this, so we're checking for a card instance. So that whenever you go in here, you can type in salmon and just like salmon all over the place because there's no card attached to these guys. But before it was just like grabbing the card and just assuming it was there. But yeah, just like random ass ideas. Anyways, you do whatever it is you feel like doing with that.
okay.
Yeah. Sword use discovery time.
Bah, 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 bah.
Oh,
You know what
shit.
I'm saying?
Yeah, bro
Blah,
said,
blah, blah.
bro said, ah, bah, 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 bah.
I could go for some Taco Bell right now.
I could go for some Taco Bell in about 6 hours after it's sat in the car for a little while. After it's gotten,
You're evil.
dude, bro's never heard of marination. That's crazy.
Yeah. You might be the worst to ever do it.
Yeah, pretty close if not. Whoa, there's a fucking drop shadow on this text? Where the fuck did you come from?
I don't know. You added it to it?
I don't remember adding that, but
I
do
feel like I
believe
remember
that.
you adding drop shadows for some reason. And
It was
I
on
don't remember
something,
why.
but I don't remember it being this.
Well,
That's
looks
fine.
like you did.
Yeah. I also did a thing that isn't the most clear right now because it's I should be able to sort by name as well. So this, whenever you sort by most recent, this actually uses the discovery time and not how recently it's been added to your deck.
Oh, cool. Okay.
So this is based on how recently, like the most recently unlocked, I guess, is what it is for this page. Whereas for this, it's based on how recent it's in your deck, which they look the same, but if I were to do like clear deck and then add a new card, so like the Meow 36, and then, you know, something that we've already discovered, this shows the most recently as it's added to your deck, whereas this is based on how recently you've discovered in the grand scheme of things. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Which I would like to improve some of this UI, but yeah. I also should add a name sort here, so let me do that. Oh, 101
Yeah.
debugger errors.
Oh,
Why? Bad comparison function. Sorting will be broken. Beautiful, man. No, that's sick. I'm actually so happy about that. Was that me? Did I do that? Oh, I did. Wait, what? Comparison function. Sorting will be broken. I wish I knew what that meant. On the bright side, that does mean I can go find out what that means if I open up my terminal and go open up the Godot source code. Alright, so what file is this? Or I guess I can just Control F for the error, which is bad sorting. Oh no, bad comparison. Sort array.h. Error bad compare. Sort array.h. Line 175. Okay, yes, that's this one. What in the world is this? What in the fucking world am I reading? If const expression validate. P first is the same as unmodified last minus 1. Oh, I think I know what's... Yeah, I think I know what the issue is. I think that might fix it. There's also the issue, I think, of... Okay, that looks like that did fix it, but there's also the issue of, if there is no discovery time, I think technically there could be... Yeah, like you don't have any discovery time, which means you're always going to be at the bottom, but I think that instead what I should do is, something like if a dot
Another thing I need to figure out is how to make these guys not like stack on top of each other if they're targeting the same enemy.
Yeah, I think that's something we just have to figure out as well, just in general.
Did it crash or did it? Oh, it just paused for like a very long time.
I wonder if they were
Very
trying
nice.
to pathfind to the enemy. It might just
What
be that
the-
they're trying to pathfind to the enemy a bunch and they're getting stuck in that.
Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. Because it's like right as I spawn them, yeah. And I think whenever they like change a path.
Yeah.
Yeah, very cool. This is one guy over here trying to get over. Get him. Get him, guys.
Oh, actually, let me fix this first. Because I want to make all of the not discovered cards show up at the bottom, which doesn't seem like that's doing it.
They got him. Let's go. Oh, and we
And the
got
game is-
Alex. Like,
Oh, because there's no enemy for them to pathfind to.
yeah, but it should just transition to the wander state. They should now just like pick random
You
points.
should
of something.
turn on the profiler while this is happening and see what it's getting
Yeah.
stuck on.
Bugger profile. So it's
All right,
just,
that
like,
should be good.
randomly-
You should be able to look at that
Yeah.
profiler now. There should be just a massive fucking spike. Yeah. So pause it.
Where?
Pause it.
Stop.
And then if you zoom in a little bit, which is
Is it this one?
with your scroll wheel, I think. There it is.
Oh.
Yes. No, there's a massive spike. It's just that it's like less than 1 pixel wide, so it doesn't render it all the time.
It says physics time.
Yeah, because it keeps querying the thing, I'd imagine. But yeah, there should be a script that does a bunch of shit.
Yeah, state machine physics process.
Yep, randomized target is getting called a bunch of times.
I see. Where is it doing that? So that's state machine.
It's inside of... It looks like it's... It'll tell you the script. Yeah, the
Goblin
Goblin Wander.
Wander. Nice target. When are you getting called?
Every frame.
It shouldn't be, because it should be if current time is greater than min wander time, then it should randomize the target and then set current time to 0.
Yeah. And then probably what's happening, because it took so much time to process, it's setting it back to the greater than... What's min wonder time? Is it like half a second?
It's 2 seconds.
Dubious.
What's wander time? I guess that's not used in here. I think that's left over from the other one.
Current time. Yeah, I think the issue is also it's probably... Are there any enemies currently in the room with you?
There shouldn't be.
Are the enemies in the room with you currently? Some dickhead is like really calling that function a lot.
Yeah.
That's why it's
there's no
happening every
enemies
2
yet, they're
seconds.
just,
There's
like-
some dickhead somewhere that's just requerying it. You should put a print inside of the randomized target and just do console.print self.getPath so you can find it in the tree.
And randomized target. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, this isn't even the recursive function, is it?
No, it's not. That's why I'm confused.
Interesting. Yeah.
It's because it's somehow calling it a billion times from like here or something.
Yeah.
Oh, it's possible. Because it does it on enter, so maybe it's somehow
Oh, Control Z. You drag text.
it's somehow
It is
entering and
not
leaving
inside of the
the-
enter, and you can see because of the script functions on the left, it's calling it during
Oh
physics
yeah.
update.
You're right.
Oh, they're all triggering at the same time.
Oh, is it because they're all doing it at the exact same
It might
time
be.
and that's lagging it out?
It very well could be. What is the
And then
what
it
does the
might be-
randomized target function do?
It literally just sets target position to tile navigation agent dot get random point. So I'm guessing maybe this is like not very performance well.
What does it get random point? What does it do? Get the closest point to... That's funny.
What is this doing?
It uses the mouse's position for some reason. I actually don't know why, and I don't
The
think that that's-
mouse?
I don't think that that actually ends up getting used. It definitely doesn't.
What? Okay, maybe I'll let
Or maybe-
you figure out this section because
Do me a favor. Go back to the game and hover your mouse over, like, just above the ground. Just above the ground. Yeah. Okay, is that better?
that's gonna be like at least slightly better.
Yeah, and then if you put it in
Maybe,
the
like,
air
here.
or inside the... Yeah. Yes, it definitely is.
Yeah, it's definitely more.
Yeah. That's funny. I don't even know why that's in there, honestly.
Because you put it there because you're evil.
Yeah. Now it's not empty. What the fuck? Can you do me a favor, actually? Pause the game.
Mm-hmm.
Go to tile navigation agent.gd, sorry.
That's where I am.
Yeah, that line where it's using the mouse position, change that to
Yeah.
body.global position.
Wait, that.
Yeah. Just do body. You can figure out the parentheses afterwards, brother.
Global position.
Yeah. Save it and then see if that changes anything. Not really.
Still
That's
pretty
okay.
bad.
Yeah, it's
If anything, that's worse.
I know why it's lagging. I know the
That
problem.
is significantly worse.
Yeah, it's fine. I know the problem. The problem is that
Okay.
what it's doing is it's given its current position, it's looking for all of the potential connections and getting a list of them, and it's
Ah.
choosing a random one. So like one that is
Oh, so
currently
it might be
connected to where it
lagging-
can move. It's lagging
It might
because
be
it's
lagging.
adding a
yeah.
bunch. So what you can actually do, if you pause the game again,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and then go back to that code
Mm-hmm.
and go to after the for loop or the while loop. So like 171.
After,
Yeah.
171.
Yeah, if you just do console.print connected points dot size, I'm fairly certain this will be way larger than it should be. I would
Yeah, 'cause
imagine
I
likely
think it's
this
probably
should maybe
lagging
be
because
200. 200 would be like understandable, I think. So we'll see what it is.
It is a big room, so there'd be a lot more connections.
I still
and
think
a lot
200
of
would
the
be
guys
about
at once.
correct.
80.
80? Really? Only 80? That feels wrong. I wonder if there's a way to get an island from A star, actually. I should look for Control F for island. The answer is no. I know that's not like the...
Yeah, I guess there's really not that many. Oh, it's lagging like crazy now.
Yeah, it's because it's printing a lot of text as well. Oh, because you're also drawing that.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna close that. I don't know how to fix that, but
Yeah, that's okay. There's ways that I can optimize this. It's just not currently.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I know what I can do. I can make I can create the islands once. Do you know what an island means in pathfinding?
I mean, is that just something like that can't be accessed from like another section?
Yeah, pretty much. So if you have like a node here, and they're
Yeah.
connected, this is one island. And then if you have like a node here, and here, and these are all like
Yeah, that makes
connected,
sense.
this is an island, that's an island. So what I'm doing is, given the position the enemy's at, so if it's right here, it will build its island out and then pick a random of those points, which is fine. Like, it works, and that makes sense, but it should only compute that once, because the islands don't change, probably. And if they do, we can just recalculate them once. So yeah, I can just... Yeah, I'll add that to my list of optimizations. So I'm actually going to make a note in here called Pathfinding Optimizations. What are the issues that you think are worth... Or, like, what have you noticed that's worth optimizing? Because, like, the first one is... Build
The pathfinding.
Yeah, thanks. Build tile navigation agent only once. And then build islands at generation.
I haven't really noticed much else besides that though.
Okay. And then yeah, I think there would also be only query pathfinding X time and potentially stagger, so that they aren't doing it every frame, or they aren't doing it at the same time as each other either. Honestly, you could end up staggering it using some gross shit, but probably not the right way. Alright, what was I doing? Oh yeah, the sort menu. Why are these not sorted correctly?
Okay.
You know, one day, as a programmer, you will learn the difference between ascending and descending without having to think about it every single time. And I'm looking forward to that day for myself.
Yeah.
There's multiple steps of ascending and descending. There's the first is like, you don't know what the difference is. You're just like, whatever, I'll try ascending. Oh, that didn't work. I'll just try descending. And then there's you can do it, but specifically if you think about like an example, and then eventually it's like intuitive to you and you're just like, yeah, that's what I want. I'm currently on step 2, which is very cool and fun. But yeah, also I added this, so be able to get my queen.
Okay, I'm looking at your screen.
So I have this. So it shows the most recently obtained cards. And all of the undiscovered cards are at the bottom.
Very cool.
Do you want them to, like, if I do cost, do you think that it should show only the ones that you've discovered? Like, the ones that you discover should go up, or do you think it's fine that you can see that there's, like, some
That's
cards
probably
that cost
fine, yeah.
either the same or less than Soul Dispenser?
Yeah, and also to figure out, because for the demo, we should probably show, like, oh, these are the cards that you can use the demo, and then have some that are, like, locked, that are like, oh, these are the cards that will be in the full game.
Yeah.
Even if we don't have those cards yet, like, we can just put placeholders. JW, do something cool, but I don't know what to shade it. What do? I don't know. I don't know how to shade things either.
That's true. Just look at his hands all over his PNG tuber. Look at all those hands.
Yeah, this thing's horribly shaded. I'm not gonna
He's
lie.
got hands. So why did this not sort the correct way whenever I opened it up? This should be sort by recent. No? Oh, has it reached that point?
What? Huh?
Has it reached that point?
Potentially. I'm getting a little hungry. And the goblin's annoying me.
I can't believe that. I'm telling you what.
Yeah.
I did this. Oh, that's doing sort cards before it needs to. I see. Decklist panel dot sort cards is being called deferred. However, the problem here is you shouldn't be doing that. Keep sort. Sorry.
Sorry.
Bro didn't even think about it. He was just like, yep. It's meow time. Ooh, okay, there are errors still. Why? Where the fuck is this being called? Guh? Dude, I love Napcast music. This motherfucker should not be able to make such good music. Because every time I listen to music from them, I'm just like, damn. There's like some new part of the song that I like haven't really heard before. And like a lot of the times, I'm just like, damn. There's a bass line in here that goes way harder than it should have been. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He doesn't know what I meant.
I don't know what you mean.
He doesn't know
I'm
what I
falling
mean.
asleep.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
In that honk me.
Yeah, type shit.
Yeah.
He's not being... Why isn't this being sorted? Hmm.
Meow.
Hmm. Yeah. That's actually kind of... That's damn true, dude. I wonder if this will work. Let's find out. Hey, that works. Yay! So now no more weird shit. Can you look at my screen?
I've been looking at your screen.
You haven't been looking at my screen. I'm sure my screen's been on your stream, but you haven't been looking at it.
Yeah, no, I was scrolling TikTok.
Yeah. So if you look whenever I swap pages, how they all move, that's like just like gross, right?
Mm-hmm, yeah, that's nasty.
Yeah. So instead, I made it so that the first time whenever you move to the page, they don't do that weird gross movement thing. But they still do if it's a sword that you're doing yourself.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Hooray! Hooray! Big fan, honestly. Big fan of this new deck menu. It's very nice, and it feels, for the most part, pretty consistent. It's obviously not perfect, but it feels way more workable than the old menu did.
Mm-hmm.
Was there something else that I wanted to show you or talk about before we ended stream? Oh. Add comparison function, apparently still. That's great. That's terrific. Don't say that shit to me ever again, though. Thanks. Actually... Oh. Ah, it's you.
I'm
I see.
hungry.
What's up?
I said I'm hungry. Oh, the gong.
Yeah, sorry. Hello, Naga. How's it going? Yeah.
Hello, gang.
Yeah, JW's streaming, I know. He actually is about to end stream, I think. which
No,
means I
I'm
guess
not.
You're not ending stream?
Nah.
Okay. So what are you doing then?
Ending stream.
But I said you're about to end stream and you said no, you're not. This guy might be like dumb as fuck, to be honest. You're like if someone combined a boy kisser with a pile of bricks. Which is funny, because I can do that.
Yeah, you can do that.
So I noticed, by the way, whenever you spawn things via this menu, you usually right-click to open up the bind thing. Do you think that should just be the default for that button, or do you think it matters? I noticed you don't really ever do this
I
thing.
don't like doing that. Yeah, because I usually like spawning like 50 of the thing because it's fun that way.
Yeah, that's
But
fair.
no, it's fine how it is. It's literally fine how it is that way because then I'm gonna have to like
Yeah, relearn. Fair enough.
relearn.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know if there's anything else that I want to do right now. I would like to rebuild the pathfinding thing, but
Yeah.
Actually, there's one more thing. Let me fix this really quickly. Sort custom. I don't know why there's a to-do here. I don't know what the fuck that means, but oh no, okay, you said this was fine, actually, never mind. I don't know how this bad comparison function thing. It's because the sorting is... Oh, never mind. I know exactly what's happening with it. It's because there are certain cards that are... It's like inconsistent, so... Like, if you take a bunch of cards and you compare them to each other, some of them have the same type, and so it can be inconsistent depending on which one it checks first, I guess.
Maybe.
I think that's exactly what's happening here. I also want to add a sort name really quickly, because I think that should be something we can sort by. Let me do that really quickly. This should be, like, easy, though. How do you fucking compare? Case compare? This is case sensitive, I think, right? Case sensitive compare, and then there's, I'm sure that there's no case compare to. What does this return? So if it's -1 if it's less than, or 1 if greater than. Okay. Fuck it. -1 it is. Does this update in real time? I don't think that it does, because I think that's a new... Yeah, it's a new thing. You didn't ask, how do I color the folders? It's actually so funny when people ask that, because I'm gonna blow your mind. You can right click on the folder, and you can click on the set folder color, and then the colors are there. It's just a built-in thing on Godot since 4.2, I want to say. So it should just be there. Oh shit, did this break? This broke. Oh, because I didn't add this up here. Ain't no way. Yeah, I know. So many people ask me that shit too. They're like, oh my god, how are your folders colored? What add-on is that? It's like, brother, you just right-click on the folder. We just got that. Godot's built like that. There we go. That works. So if you see now JW, I can sort my name. Hooray. Alphabetical, my beloved. Alright. Is there anything else you want to do today, or is that it?
Nah, I don't
You're just
think
gonna call
so.
stream here? This motherfucker's out here dying. Alright. Well, we're gonna end stream, because JW is dead, apparently. And that's okay. So we will be back on... Oh no, we just got raided. Ah,
Okay,
shit.
fine. We'll stream some more.
Hello everybody.
Here,
We
go,
weren't
go
about to end
wishlist
stream.
Dante's 9, and then we're ending stream.
Wishlist Dante's 9 game we're working on. Check out this really cool game.
Does this work? Does this work? There you go, game.
Does what work? Oh, exclamation mark game.
Yeah, there we go. I put it in there.
Look at the cool things that we have in
Here,
this.
you can just go play through the game, and then
just play through the game.
just play through the game.
Our ending might be.
Don't be like debug
or-
menuing in the hub area. It's lame.
What'd you say?
I said don't just like debug in like the hub area.
You're right. You're right.
Play the game.
Let me change my binding really quickly because it was still set to something else from testing.
Silly.
Look at Dante's 9. I'm gonna actually
No,
need
it's
my
fine.
music.
I definitely wasn't about to go eat dinner. I'm definitely not like starving. I'm not dying.
Let me hide my hold on music display, and then I'll turn on the
It's
music in
okay.
the game. Hi everybody, welcome in. This is Dante's 9. We're working on Dante's 9. Whoa, sticker
Alright, bro,
capsule.
don't be-
What is this one doing?
Don't sound too excited.
I'll pick up at it. I actually don't know what this one does.
Who hasn't seen this item
Yeah, I
before?
haven't. Let me see if I can get a card first. I might actually... Oh, I'm gonna do something fucking crazy. Oh, add 3 random cards to your deck. Never mind. That's
Yeah,
not the one that
that's-
adds the stickers. I was gonna say
Yeah.
I could wait and pick it up later. What the fuck was that? I mean... Why did it crash? Oh, spicy noodles, because the fix that you did is not on my side.
Oh
Oopsies.
yeah.
It's fine, it's fine. Hold on. I know what this
Yeah, you
fix
can
is.
just set it, and then you can, if you resume it, it'll work. It'll work. You got this.
It will work, are you sure?
Yeah.
What's
it
the other
will.
thing? Brimstone or whatever?
Yeah, that's fine. You're probably not gonna get to that, but whatever.
Just in case. I mean, it's
Just in case.
it's
you
the
know.
easiest thing to add. Okay, there we go. Alright, you lied to me. We're gonna restart.
No, I
Hold on.
didn't. It literally worked fine for me. You just, it's,
Yeah, I'm just bad or something.
it's okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, anybody going to GodotCon and
Yeah, are you going to Godocon again this
July?
year, Covino? We met Covino at Godocon, by the way. I don't know if you
yeah,
remember that.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah. You will be?
we
Maybe
will be
are.
there. We
are-
will be there. We have a table. We have a showcase there
Have you already
to be at.
are we already determined on that?
Yeah, they sent me a thing that was like, you have to go or else we're killing you.
Oh, okay. They didn't already approve it though. I'm assuming by the way you're
No.
saying that.
Yeah, I'm joking.
Yeah. Oh shit. What the hell? I didn't know this was a relic in the game.
Oh yeah, by the way, one time I was playing the other day and I pulled 2 legendary items from 2 common chests in the hub area.
That's fire. Planning on releasing before Godocon, so no table for you. But I don't know
I mean,
whether to say that's tragic
don't
or like good. That's
think-
pretty damn good.
I don't see why you couldn't have a table if your
You
game
could.
is released.
Yeah, I don't know if it's
Like I don't think it's exclusively for non-released games.
let me actually
Did we have
pull-
Salmon Storm at GodotCon last year? I don't think we did.
I don't think so, no.
Yeah,
No,
you
no,
didn't.
no. We got Salmon Storm as an idea from someone after Godokon.
No,
From your Discord,
maybe
I think.
I thought I just came up with that one.
Maybe. I don't remember.
I'm pretty sure that one I just came up with
Maybe you did.
straight from the noggin.
Fuck, where did... Oh, there was another worm in the ground. I didn't realize he was down there. Thing is... What is this one again? Oh, this is the infinite ammo gun, but if you take damage, it's not. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Also, it's multiplayer online. You only own one computer. Do you have a Steam Deck? You can bring a Steam Deck. Use a Steam Deck for that. Does this drop orbs, or does this just give you soul immediately?
Wait, what?
Soul Siphon, does it drop orbs?
It does not drop orbs.
Okay, then I'm not
Probably
gonna
should.
take it.
That one needs reworking. It's really bad.
Probably, yeah. Because I have Shatter, so I'm like, I don't wanna. I also don't know what's going on with the camera there between level transitions. I don't know if you've seen that, or if that's a thing only on
I
my
didn't see
issues.
that. Might be a U issue.
Also, maybe summon should always show up. Oh my god, look at the fucking random ass sticker I got on the laser pointer, by the way. It gave me Prism.
Right.
Kind of fire. I wish it gave me Bouncy Ball, but whatever.
You're not very good at this game.
That's true. I haven't played it in a bit. You're starving, gotta go grab dinner. Good luck, good luck.
We'll probably end soon. You can just do a quick run through so people can see what we're working on, and then
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that, like, there's like a weird camera thing. I actually haven't used the Shatter card at all, so let's see. Ooh, holy shit. How did they bounce? Do they just bounce like a specific amount of times by default? Ah,
no, they bounce a random amount of times.
okay.
It's like between 1 and 300.
Okay, man. Yeah, alright, dude. Thank you, Salmon, for breaking that. Alright, let me do, I'm just gonna kill the boss. Actually, I want to find the shop. Because I want to upgrade. Oh shit, new guy. What the hell, does new guy work? Should I be scared?
Yeah, he works.
Okay, cool. Dude, I swear working on this game with another person is really fun because of how many times I'm just like, oh, I didn't realize that was a thing that we have currently. Holy shit, this room is large. Goblin Army doesn't work, correct? On my side?
No. I mean, it doesn't break, but it doesn't work.
Okay. I don't remember what Bowling Ball does. I don't think I've used that one yet. Ew. Also, these need sounds whenever you buy them.
Yeah, you're right.
Ignore the 100 that I have there. We need to juice that animation up as well. The card or the application thing.
Yeah.
Cool. That's gonna be a fun laser. I'm actually kind of excited to use that one. What does bowling ball do? Is it just like a projectile you
bowling
just
ball.
launch?
Pretty much. It can like roll though, so if you like roll it along the ground, it can hit lots of things.
Okay.
It's not the best. It's okay. You could
What
do
the
paw
fuck
prints
is-
appearing all over the ball, then overlapping until completely covered before shattering. What?
What?
I'm a little confused on that one.
Salmon Storm, my beloved. Wait, actually, did Salmon Storm lose? Did it? Okay, it did reduce the cost. Nice. Oh, hey, and I have another purple crystal, so I can actually use Salmon Storm. Let's fucking go. Massive news.
I will not explain. Alright, fine.
Oh, dude, another summon card. Cool. Or another summon relic. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm actually gonna I'm gonna write this down really quickly, which is, I'm gonna put this in the to-do list before I forget about it, which is, weird camera flickering on room switch. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know what the issue is.
Let me write this down, but we should have a special room that lets you like pick an item and like transform it into a random item of the same rarity. So like if you don't have, if there's an item that you like don't like.
Oh, like a relic?
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
an item.
Relic, yeah.
An item, yeah.
Oh, I just use shatter and there's no fucking things on the ground. Does the auto turret shoot crystals? I guess it's dead. I didn't think auto turret killed.
Yeah, it runs out over time. Oh yeah, I think it can take damage as well.
Yeah, it got killed by the boss.
Yeah.
Alright, same as storm time.
It shouldn't take damage.
Good.
Maybe
We're
it's
so
just
chilling.
time based.
We're so chilling.
Where
Easy
is
mode.
our rooms and stuff? Shop now. Where is this? Item drops and progression. There we go.
Oh shit. There's a dude. What the hell, dude? Get out of here. Hooray! And then you said this. Does this work? This does work. Cool. Alright. Am I allowed to end stream now? Am I able to end the stream?
Yeah, you can end the stream.
Oh, thank
Goodbye,
God.
everybody. Go
I'm
wish
actually
this
so
Dante's
hungry.
9.
Yeah, thank you guys for
Yeah,
stopping
we're
by.
starting.
Sorry that we're ending the stream the second that people get here, but we were about
need
to end
food.
stream and I'm so hungry. So, goodbye, people. Good luck. Have a good one. We'll be back on Tuesday at 6:30 p.m. EST and Thursday 6:30 p.m. EST and on Sundays at 2:30 p.m. EST. So,
Bye bye.
Mhm.